What's up, team? All right. My boy Ryan. What's up, my man? Ash, what's up? Good. It's good. It's good. Yo, what's the bias for today? TGIF, my brother. Bias for today is TGIF. Let's check out the economic calendar. What does that mean? It means I'm bearish, expecting a 20 to 30% retracement from the weekly candles expansion. So basically, around this level right here. Mark it out with Hank right here. So down. You're bearish too. What you're looking for? TGIF. TGIF. Oh, you guys. A lot of people don't know what TGIF is, huh? I'm expecting a retracement. See how the weekly candle has like this huge, large expansion one-sided? I'm expecting it to drop to 20 to 30% of that range. Yep, we'll probably be looking for that bearish FG to hold. Or if we take the buy side and put an SMT, that's okay too. Let's check the economic calendar. Uh, so just preliminary stuff at 10 a.m. Orange folder, not too important. We'll check the hourly, 4-hour, 50-minute. We'll do that in a sec. I'll just wait for some more people to join here. Oh, the silver bullet video got some views. Hopefully that one helped. Standard deviation looking nice. All the move down for the equilibrium in the range. Nice. Yes. All sounds like valid stuff. What's up, RC? Just waiting for some more people to join up here. Yeah, I can help you find. You go out. Tell me what you're thinking, and then I'll tell you what you're missing and what you're going wrong. How does that sound, brother? Because I want you to try to get the process of getting to that conclusion yourself. You know. So tell me what you're thinking, bro. Okay, you're thinking London lows. Okay, let's look at gold. Good ask. Good morning, Ashton. What do you use for day trading? Top Step, My Fund and Futures, Trading View. That's all. I finished at 3,000. Now I need to. Oh, you got it, bro. You got it. Yes, sir. Okay, so you know. Okay, good, good. Let's see. Oh, okay. Because it's Friday, this weekly doesn't really help us because we don't know if it's going to close inside the weekly or outside the weekly. Obviously, order flow's been bullish. You could probably expect this maybe next week, like having a soft bullish bias for next week. Let's ignore that for now. You do have the daily, you have equal highs right there. We hit the 4. To me, this looks like it's going up, brother. What's good, Phil? Yo, Phil's the fucking homie. Everyone on TikTok coming through again. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Try to answer every question. To me, it kind of looks like it's going up. Because we inverted this 4 hour. And we formed another 4 hour. We tapped in. It looks like we're coming to these equal highs. I think, obviously, okay, we did reject this hourly. And we have relative equal lows. Yeah. But I still feel like there's a good chance we come up here. Because those highs are too damn clean. I mean, I feel like it'll definitely run one of the sides here. The equal highs look, I mean, order flow's been bullish. We haven't had that turnover to shorts yet. So if you get some market structure and it's starting to show that it'll roll over, like right now, yeah, it's respecting the, sure, there's 15-minute fair value gap, right? But you have to give it time because it could still go through, you know? So unless you get a full confirmation that it's not going to go through, then I wouldn't like be so stuck up on it. Because right now it's rejecting for sure. So you could see some lower prices. So if it's going to go lower, where can it go? We're forming an hourly. Take the 3-minute. Yeah, I mean, if you get a bearish breaker there is probably a 1-minute breaker. Yeah, there is a 1-minute breaker that's already in play. We could definitely come lower. But then I would assume, like, I would do the opposite of 930, to be honest. Kind of leaning towards a 50-50 here. I like the idea of taking out the highs and then going lower. But obviously we could reject off this hourly. So I'd wait for 930. Maybe it'll be more clear. We can like check in on that for now. But for now, my game plan would be just watch this 30-minute fair value gap and see if we can run the buy side here. Because order flow is still bullish. Like nothing's changed. Look at the higher time frame. Like nothing's really, not too much has changed yet. We're still gonna have an hourly fair value gap below us. So, all right, let's move on from gold. Yo, we got 80 people in the TikTok live. What's up, Cardin? Where should you start? You should start with ICT. Probably 2016 mentorship, month 1 to 4. And then once you finish months 1 to 4, you can move on to a 2022 mentorship. That's my advice to you. Have you buy yet? Buy what? All right, it seems like everyone's here. Let's cover the game plan for Nasdaq. So TGIF setup, it's there. All right, this is your previous all-time high. That's a PD array, higher time frame PD array. So this is your previous all-time high. We can look for a retracement. No, I need a good trade to take my babe to a hotel for a weekend. All right, fuck. I mean, let's try, bro. Yo, slow down. Analysis Nasdaq. I can try to slow down. So we're looking for a TGIF setup because all the criteria has been met. Trading at or near the high of the week. And then you have the all-time highs, your high time frame PD array. And then I think someone said there's a bearish hourly. I haven't checked the hourly. Yeah, there's a bearish hourly. We took the buy side. I'm bearish. And I'm targeting 20% of the weekly range. Welcome. What's up, Trevor? If 930 manipulates the highs, yeah, that would be good. We don't have to mark out much here. Yep, we'll be on the funded and the evals. We'll be on both accounts today, or all accounts today. Someone said, "How does ICT actually work?" I don't believe it. I mean, if you study it and you look for yourself, you'll probably start to believe it. If you've never looked for yourself, then I don't blame you. You probably won't believe it. Well, yeah, we're gonna risk 200 on the funded today. Don't need. Even though there's an S&T, this price needs to go back. No, it doesn't need to. It could literally dump right at 9:30, and it would make sense. You know. Oh, I looked for years. I well, if you don't go with it, then it's all good, bro. It's all you, my man. If it doesn't go good with you, then just don't bother. What is max capital allocation? The max you can have is 150 times 6, so 700. Is that right? So 750. Because you can have five 150K funded, and then you can get transferred to a live. We'll stay on the 15-minute chart here. So I'm gonna look for some sell setups. Don't want to see the minor buy side get taken. Ideally, yes, minor buy side, and then maybe this fair value gap or this liquidity void, which is a higher time frame fair value gap. Um, this would be a good area to short from. Can you explain what just happened? What do you mean? Nothing's happened really much. We're going to be looking for a 930 Judas swing, so that's my first model that can present. If it just goes right up at 930, takes out the high here, and then gives me a reversal signature, I'll short that right. I'll just short that right away. But ICT works? I mean, I think so. What is the correct process to draw fixed range volume profile? What's a volume profile? We don't do that with ICT, brother. The only volume related thing you need is volume and balance. If you're trading ICT, you want to trade something else? Well, that's okay. You swinging? No. Day trading. What is a weekly profile? It's a classic expansion, right? I don't remember what happened the other day, but it's a classic expansion. Yeah, classic expansion. Just Monday forms a low of week from Tuesday's low. I don't know if ES, was there an SMT there? Yeah, there was. So if you look on ES, it'll be a lot cleaner. Just classic expansion. Because there's like ES took out this, so ES manipulated the higher time frame level by taking this low. So ES took the low. How do you split two pictures on one screen? You got to go up here and click layout setup, and then you can see. You can have two layouts. You always got to compare the charts, otherwise you're just missing information. And it looks like a sell model. I like that we took out the buy side here in Asia. Then again, Asia high of day is never. I guess it's pre-market, but we'll see. I was in like someone's Discord the other day, and they literally asked me, and they were like, "So how can the TGIF form?" And I literally said one of the ways was like London reversal. I was like, if London reverses, I'm gonna wait for New York to come to a fair value gap and then short. So that would be really cool if it played. Just like 5 minute. Yeah, I'm gonna check them all once it's time to enter. I'll just stay on the 15 for now. I mean, I'll probably go to the 1 actually and just mark up the high here. I guess we can mark out the 30-minute. Yeah. This looks like even a 1-minute market maker style model. You know, the original consolidation. And whether a few members asked about dealing range theory in Discord. Yeah. Was it you who wanted the end? I can explain it. It's very simple. I mean, I have a full video on ranges. What's implied volatility? Don't know. Never used that once in my life. Don't think it's important to me personally. What's the range here we're working with? Oh, 40 points. That's an ass. We'll probably trade the Nasdaq today on the my funded futures. Or we can just like put 15 micros or something. The most important thing to know. For you, not for me. I don't care about that. Red news at 10? I don't think there's red news at 10. I think it's orange, no? What's up, Abdul Raja, my guy? What's up, Money Glitch? Gut Capital. What's your bias for now? It's short. Looking for short. Sorry, I missed your message, brother. I mean, for right now, I think it's gonna come right here. Like literally right now. Yeah, I think it's gonna go up there. After that, I'm gonna look for a reversal. Pretty simple. I think we should be new day opening gap. Closed. We're about to hit the new day opening gap as well as your new day opening gap low. If we could touch the new day opening gap, that'd be pretty cool as well. All right, so we just did it. we took it high there, and we tapped the 30-minute. So for me to find a good reversal from here, it's not going to be the easiest thing to do, but we're going to look for maybe an SMT or a breaker. There's ES also. Okay, we might have SMT at the highs there, so that's a good. We'll see if ES wants to take out those highs. We're saying that weird shit, bro. With you guys. If you trade manageable risk and you don't know implied volatility, is that a problem? Are you asking me? No, I don't think it's a problem. The 4-hour OB, that candle up there, that would be the immediate rebalance. I took the 5-minute version. Where is your track record? My YouTube live stream and my Discord. You should see all the trades I take. 94 watching, 5 likes. Shame on you guys. It's okay, bro. Would you mind talking about the art? What art? No, that's a big problem. That's the whole consensus. I don't know, bro. To be honest, don't really care about what you're saying. But you trade inversions? Yeah, I'll take an inversion. It'll be an immediate rebalance if we touch that 4-hour. Yeah, but it looks like we're gonna have SMT. I like us coming into the higher up 15-minute fair value gap. We touched the wick here. So that's your breaker. Oh, we could literally just short this and it could dump even after inversing this. But it's a risky one, but it could definitely just inverse that and dump. It looks like it's not going to though. Oh, ES hasn't taken the buy side yet, so not yet, not yet. But maybe once ES takes out the buy side here, dealing range theory, is this up? Is that are you the person in the Discord who is asking me? So dealing range, you need to understand what a dealing range is. 1,000 red and orange news, not just orange. Are you sure it's for USD though? Fitness? It's the key determining the price of a stock and its volatility over the lifetime of a stock. I'm not even trading a stock right now, bro. I'm trading Nasdaq futures. See if we can touch the new day opening gap. We get the SMT there, and then we can maybe look for lower prices. Same thing. No, not really, bro. Not at all, actually. Dealing range theory. Dealing range. A dealing range is your most recent range that has a sell side and buy side sweep. So your most recent sell side sweep, where is it? It's right here. There's no sell side sweep here. This is all low resistance liquidity. There's no sell side sweep, only here. So this is your dealing range low. Your dealing range high, well, it's over here because there was a buy side sweep here. So it's going to keep expanding until this reverses. Then you have your dealing range. Someone says CBDR range. Can you look at, I mean, sure, I can look at it, but oh, I think my dad owns this stock. Seems pretty bullish. You have to get a good buy. This could be a good buy. Monthly open. Probably wait and see. I'd wait for next week. Maybe buy below something. Buy below the weekly open. Oh, we're rejecting or did ES take the highs yet? Okay, ES took the highs. We're in short territory. We're in short territory. Bearish FEG. Yo, wait, is that sending TGIF gifts? What is that? How did you even do that, bro? Buy below the weekly open. That's like the easiest strategy you can do. Yo, Phil's going crazy. Affirm is a buy now, pay later company. What is Affirm? It's just a stock. I like that bearish fair value gap. Nasdaq is the weaker asset in this case. We got the S&T at the highs. I like the potential short here. Just need to see it. Need to see it move lower just to confirm. I would need to see like bearish fair value. Maybe a breaker would be nice here too. If we get this. You want to trade but you have no account? Demo trade. Brother, if there's a liquidity before 950, then there's FEG at 950 will be a valid silver bullet. Silver bullet's from 10 to 11. So for my criteria for silver bullet is, so obviously, let's say you think it's going to go down. You need to see a fair value gap form in the 10 to, it doesn't have to be, the fair value gap can form whenever actually. You're using a fair value gap in the direction of your bias. So let's say we have a fair value gap at 950, that's bearish, right? And then it trades into it at 10. You can use that as a silver bullet fair value. It can be an old fair value gap. It doesn't have to be a new one. But you're looking for price to trade into a fair value gap from the 10 to 11 window in the direction of your bias. And for that fair value gap to be valid or like activated, there needs to be an opposing liquidity sweep. So just make sure before that fair value gap was used, and that's just my criteria. Before this so see this fair value gap right here? Before it was used, there was no liquidity sweep, right? It just kind of went up, formed it, and then used it. No liquidity sweep. I need to see a liquidity sweep. New York session opens at 8:30. UTC 5. UTC 5 is for all your correct times. You don't even know 15. Yes, my CPU. Yeah, it can go higher. We marked it up. Possible. Oh, actually, we didn't mark it up. I had it marked up. I raised the line. Yeah, definitely could. It doesn't need to, though. I'd rather see it form a breaker here and go lower. Breaker mitigation, potentially. If we get a bearish fair value gap here, I will definitely short. Breaker mitigation, my favorite entry model. We'd have to get a breaker mitigation, and then it would look something like this. I would honestly just target this, the full sell side there. But let's see, it doesn't look like we're getting it right now. Entry, not yet, not yet. Yeah, I'm looking for a short as well. If it sweeps the ATL, all-time low. I mean, I would like for it to do that, to be honest. Get a sweep there. See my question? So there is a point liquidity as I'm targeting equal high. So yeah, the fair value gap, don't worry about which time the fair value gap formed. You just want to see it trade into the fair value gap at after 10. Because the idea is once 10 a.m. hits, for the most part, you're gonna have one-sided expansion. That's kind of the idea. Usually 10 a.m. just runs the narrative. You also feel I really appreciate the TGIF. I don't know how the fuck you did that shit, but I really appreciate the TGIF. If we get a fair value gap here, I'll go short. I really appreciate the TGIF shit, though. Really do. No entry yet, but if we get the fair value gap here, no fair value gaps. Bad. No trade here for me. Once the 2-minute is still forming, maybe we get the 3-minute inversion, maybe. The 1-minute inversion is just as good. Yeah, just wait, nothing yet. ES will probably take all-time highs again, but not Nasdaq, in my opinion. What's up, I'm mad? Yo, Phil, do you trade ICT as well? Or are you just a true supporter, bro, of a trading journey? Appreciate all the follows on TikTok, yo. Everyone on YouTube, yo, there's 122 people on YouTube. Bro, give your boy a like, bro. Like, I swear to God, you guys are stingy, bruh. 122 of you guys. I know you guys be coming every day. But only like 4 people click the like button, bro. What's going on? Haters. ES has a bearish fair value gap there. That could deliver lower. But Nasdaq doesn't have one. Nasdaq's a weaker asset. So therefore, the setup is invalid. New York open at 8:30. The New York kill zone. Yes, New York kill zone opens at 8:30. But the New York session still starts at 9:30. All you have done here is sit and watch charts. Yeah, I do this every day, bro. Like for what? I'm waiting for a setup. I mean, bro, all you have done is sit here, watch me, watch charts. So I'd have to ask you, what are you doing, bro? Oh, good mute. That's a good mute, bro. That's a good mute. I mean, we could have chatted a little more, but fuck it, I don't care. Is the breaker valid right now in gold? Probably. Yeah. I mean, it's a difficult one, but I guess it's probably not gonna run the highs. The fact that it's rejecting like that. But if I'm being honest, you probably missed your optimal entry. Like this is your 5-minute breaker now already used. Your 3-minute, and then again, this is like your second stage. So to get in on this, you could have maybe trusted this fair value gap. You could wait for like a liquidity sweep and then another. Looking for longs? No, looking for shorts. 100%. Won't be taking any longs today. If it goes up, it goes up. It's fine. But I'm bearish and I don't want to take a long anyway. Appreciate you, Bushama. Is it a bank holiday next Monday? You mean on Monday? Hating for no reason? Yeah, there's always gonna be a hater in here. It's all good. You think it will drop 30% with the candle? 30%? 30% makes sense because it aligns with the daily volume imbalance right here. So it makes sense, but it's a large move. Hit the like button. Yo, fucking love you guys, bro. Yeah, gold is a sell model for sure. It is a sell model. So you just gotta find another stage entry. Maybe if we get like some high get taken out, or maybe a 5-minute or 50. You can look for a silver bullet entry at this point, probably your best thing. What's up, JP? But definitely sell model, yeah. Oh, did you say buy model? I mean, oh, towards the equal highs? Initially, I thought so too, but then just because we rejected here, like, it doesn't need to go up here. You can assume it's going up here to run the buy side. The alternative is it's going up here just to go into a premium imbalance, So both narratives work. It doesn't have to run the buy side. So, what's up, JP, Adam? Appreciate the like button. Cheers from Poland. What's up, my guy? Yeah, we're definitely looking for shorts. Check the 15-minute time frames at 9:30. There's Devil's Mark. You're talking about the no bottom? Flat body? Yeah, there's a flat body there. We'll be targeting lower than that. But yeah, that's definitely a flat body. I don't want to take this fair value gap. Don't trust it. I don't trust this fair value gap. 5-minute, we just tapped in to the bullish fair value gap. Maybe if we inverse the 5, ICT grade pool. Yeah, maybe if we inverse the 5, it would basically be this. I don't know how much I like that. That's such bad risk to reward. Like, I guess you can put your stop here. Doesn't even cover the full OB. Oh, sorry, the entry would be here. Can I put the stop at the high? Bias on gold, lower. The risk to reward is just so bad. I guess we could put it there. I'll probably short this if we get the inversion. All my criteria is there, you know. Assuming this does inverse, then all my criteria is there. So I'm not gonna hesitate. I'm just gonna take it. I mean, EF didn't inverse. I'll wait for a retracement probably. Yeah, I guess that's what I'll do. I'll wait for another entry model, but ES did not inverse. ES did not inverse. We touched the. Oh, we didn't even touch the regular. We got org 50% in play as well. Oh, we did inverse the 5. But I'm not gonna put a limit order there. I'm gonna wait for it to come up. Maybe it comes up into a better entry. I'm not gonna take a trade this early just for a 2 risk to reward max. It's not worth it, you know. Even if we hit final TP, it's just 2 risk to reward. It's not worth it for me. So maybe if we come up into this range and we reject off of, then I can go short. So that's just not a good short. It is a clean 5-minute. I mean, you don't know if it is. Technically, it depends on this candle here. Yeah, I wouldn't mind OTE. It is an immediate. No, it's not an immediate rebalance. If it leaves this range, so like this range that was put, if it leaves that range, then yes, then if it leaves the range, then it becomes a DPR. Do you see no tendencies interest rates to those assets? No, only for like stock and stuff. Well, actually, I do every now and then. Like I know the last couple of months are usually bullish, but it's very soft. So, like usually the all like it won't change anything in my trading, you know. Waiting on the 5-minute fib. Yeah, London highs target. I don't think we'll go up there personally, but it's possible. Like I like this. I like this short right here from this fair value gap on the breaker. Stop at the breaker high. We just tapped in. So we're in short territory. If we start wicking lower, risk reward here is a lot better. We tapped the 1-minute fair value gap. I'm gonna wait for a 15-second entry. We have double equal highs at London. Relative equal highs. We could look at it. You're in sales. Good luck, brother. You use open interest? Nope. We're gonna have SMT at the highs. If we go lower from the SMT at the highs, yeah, you can go long. Yes, it's probably gonna take this high. Just don't know if it's gonna go more than that or not. I'm looking for my 15-second entry model here. That's not a breaker. Oh, you're right. It's not a breaker. The mitigation block. You were right, my brother. That was a mistake. Mitigation block. 5-minute immediate rebalance. Like if we start going lower, I'll enter a short. 15-second entry model, PDCT entry model. Will be on my YouTube soon, but let's see if we even get it. It looks good on the 2-minute. It doesn't look too good. Okay, there's the SMT that just got put in. Your 950 macro is about to start. I'd want to see a move lower now. Everything's aligning here, so I'm confident. We just need to see it form so we can actually put on a trade. So basically, yeah, this 1 minute. If we inverse this 1 minute, we'll be going short. I think this is also your first presentation, so yeah, if we inverse this, we're going short. Stop will be over there. If we go down here, then I'll be going short, because then it'll be flipping the full. Yeah, I like that. What platform do you trade on? This is TradingView. I linked my no immediate rebounds. Immediate rebalance, that happened on the 5-minute there, but it needs to go lower for it to be valid. So let's see. Yep, huge SMT, double equal highs, news at 10. Yeah, orange folder, yeah, that might help. But I don't mind taking the inversion here before. It just needs to happen. It needs to happen clean. Where do you do your actual trade? It'll be on Trade-O-Vate. So with my funded futures, Trade-O-Vate and Top Step. So I trade prop firms, no live account. What makes an inversion fair value gap? If we close below this fair value gap, so this is a bullish fair value. I mean, let's do it on the 2-minute. It looks very clean. If we close below here, then we have a valid, yeah, 50-minute FEG. We did definitely use that. So if you're bullish, what do you trade? Nasdaq futures. I wouldn't mind. We could take this buy side. Are you gonna wait the news? No. If we get the inversion now, then I'll go short. If not, then we'll wait till 10. Wait for something more clear. Exactly. Failed fair value gap. That's basically what it is. You close your position, guys. That's okay, bro. Oh, we took previous day high there. Nice, nice. That's good. That's good. In my opinion, that's good. That's what we were waiting for. So we could dump now, and it would make sense. For gold? Or for this? Long is better? Maybe. I mean, if the short presents itself, I'm going to take it. If not, then no. What's the macro thing? Can you explain? Sure. I need to make a video on this because I get this question a lot. Macros and low resistance liquidity runs. A macro is a time window. Now, this assuming you trade ICT. If not, then just ignore what I'm going to say. A macro is a time interval at the end of the hour, 10 minutes before. And we'll short this if it gets the inversion here. So 2 minutes. Yeah, I'll short this. So the macro is a 20-minute time interval from 9:50 to 10:10, or 8:50 to 9:10. So it's x50. So the 50-minute mark of the last hour, the final, like any hour, and then the first 10 minutes of the next hour. So you can see that 20-minute interval defined by like xx50 to xx10. That time interval, that 20-minute time interval, you're expecting in that time interval a run on liquidity or a run to inefficiency. Simple as that. Bro, gold is now a bullish scenario for silver bullet targeting the above equal highs. How should I manage my short position? I'm not sure where you got entered. We've already taken out some sell side. See if this 15-minute delivers lower. In my opinion, we can take out the full sell side here. All low resistance liquidity. But I don't think it's shifted bullish yet. So I wouldn't be too worried just yet, in my opinion. I don't know where you entered though. Like your stop should be, let me just make sure we're not getting the setup. Where would I put my stop? Like where is a true valid? You could just put it at the 5-minute here. High, low, higher, high, lower, low. This is a breaker, 5-minute. So like that's not a bad stop. Looking for a mentor. You can join my Discord. I'll help you out. Let's see what will happen in the macro. Let's see what happens in the macro. Yeah, I mean, yo, it could definitely go higher, right? We haven't shifted bearish yet. We're still waiting for that shift. Apple user, bro. What's up, bro? Bro. Stop trading the 1-minute? No, bro. What do you think about the indicator Williams percentage risk? I don't know what that is. Never used it in my life. You're ruining your entry? You trade Asia? Very rarely, bro. Very rarely. I'd rather just wait. Yeah, it's just sideways. You just wait till 10. Maybe it'll be more clear. Yep, this is your first presentation right here. This is not first presentation. It's this one right here, by the way. Just so everyone knows. Oops, did I need to put that line? Yo, break, what's up, my brother? 5 minutes on short. Yeah. Wait, what? Waiting 5 minutes on short. What's the Discord? My guy profile link is not taking me. Damn it, people keep saying that. I don't know what's wrong with it. I'm just gonna send the link in the chat, yo, and hopefully that helps. Cause I don't know. I gotta fix the link. Maybe I'll just put the Discord link in my bio instead of. I'll just put the Discord link in my bio instead of that link tree, whatever. If I was marking if I was making the markets, I'd take out the original consolidation, the 15 and above, and then move lower. Oh yeah, I would run this buy side too. But ES already did. What does flipping bearish mean to you? It means a change in the state of delivery. So it's still been buy side delivery. So if we got the closure below here, then you could say, yeah, we shifted. But we haven't shifted yet, you know? It's still buy side. What time frame? All of them should align, really. Like all the 1 minute to 5 minute should be in alignment pretty much. So we did have the order block form here, right? We had the order block. This is an order block. It's 100% valid. You could have shorted this order block, but you just need to understand like what exactly is happening here, right? We came down. We have a wick here. So either we're gonna retrace and then move lower, or we're wrong, and we're just going higher from the 15-minute fair value gap and the 15-minute structure, right? So you need to analyze and see, you know, it could have went lower from that order block. But you have to always assume, what if you're wrong? What could be happening if you're wrong? Well, if you're wrong, we're going to come up here and take out the highs. And there's a decent chance you're wrong because, well, we took out the sell side here. We hit the 15-minute fair value gap. And then we got large displacement coming back. So what I want to see is like validate this order block for me. And when I say order block, I mean this right here. So show me that we're going to use this order block to go lower. That's why I didn't put a limit, right? Because the chances of me being wrong on that trade were still pretty high, you know? Even though everything was, yeah, we had the fair value gap, order block, sure. But what if you're wrong? What else could be happening? You have to always ask yourself that question. What else could be happening? And in this case, what could be happening? Well, we could have just been going to the 15-minute and then to go higher. An order block is 3 consecutive candles, not 2. It can be 1, 2, or 3. It doesn't matter what. I think you're confusing it with fair value gap. Isn't it first FG at 932? Oh, this one? You can qualify this one, but it's too small for me. But you can. The body's actually respected it perfectly because obviously you have to include the volume and balance there. Yeah, I guess you can use that. I don't know. ICT said that if it's really small, he doesn't consider it, but he didn't give us any like specific criteria. So it's like pretty impossible to know. Yo, 144 people on the YouTube live. Leave a like for your boy if you're watching. If you've asked questions that I've answered. So we're waiting for this inversion now. If we get the inversion, I'll probably go short there. A lot of like mohawk here, but probably 10 a.m. silver bullet will be the best setup. Order block its last opposing candle. What's your background hex code? No problem, bro. It actually took me like 5 years to figure out the one I like the most. It's this one. Do. All right. D0, D0, D0. I'll just send it in the TikTok chat. It's like, I think it's the perfect. Oh, I can't. D0, D0, D0. You got the same one? Why won't it let me type in my. Man, fuck this shit, bro. Someone said Zao sweep. This looks like a good short. Yeah, it looks like a good short. That's your continuation, most likely. Targeting the sell side. My brother, cheers. What's up, my brother? Appreciate you. Very choppy. Yo, that's another thing. Like, a lot of the time, see how we're trying to navigate this price action and we're like, okay, if this happened, take a step back and just like literally take a step back, bro. Like, it literally just, nothing's happened, really. I mean, it's very choppy. Could be waiting for 10 a.m. news. That might help, you know? Still bearish. Yeah, could be 100% waiting on the news. I'm happy to look for a silver bullet. But just keep in mind, like, we had large move yesterday. Interest could be done, You don't like conversion, it takes too long. What's silver bullet? Silver bullet is trading in the direction from 10 to 11 a.m. on the predetermined narrative from all the information you've gotten. So from Asia, London. Yeah, you can take it, bro. It's in my Discord. It's free. You know what, bro? Let me add the Discord link to my TikTok. Yeah, you take it. It's yours, bro. It's free. No high impact news. You're scared to trade? Yeah. If you're second guessing it, then fuck it, bro. Don't, or just wait and see until it looks better. I'm gonna edit the link right now, bro, because too many people in here. Okay, we took out some buy side. So if we get a bearish fair value gap now, have you added the link? I'm gonna put it right now, bro. Just give me 1 second. Oh fuck, I did. I'm just doing it on my phone. Hold on, give me a sec here. Have the rejection block. Yeah, if we get a bearish fair value gap here, I'll go short. I usually say, I don't remember him ever saying that. I don't know. I wasn't there for that. Not every hour, but every session has a silver bullet. Every session does. Right. Okay, hopefully that link in my bio works. I mean, it works for me, so I'm hoping it just works for everyone else. If you want the notes, if you want the book, if you want to join the Discord, say hi to all your boys. It's all there. Sell? Not yet. I'm looking for it. If it forms, I'd want to see ES come below here. That would help me. That would help confirm the shorts. I need to see a bearish fair value gap. Now we're looking for a silver bullet. We're in silver bullet territory. Isn't silver bullet the second stage? Not always. It can be. Someone said a text pull. What is that? Did Quala do that? Yes, he will full TP. No, he'll go straight to. Yo. Has he, bro? I fucking love you, bro. How about that, eh? The one guy who voted. I haven't seen him say anything. Like I said, he's gonna TP. I appreciate you, bro. Let's see. I mean, we might not even get a trade. We'll have to be patient here and don't force anything bad. Oh yeah, still no setup. Stay patient. Don't get chopped up. We're streaming on YouTube and streaming on TikTok at the same time. 9:30 FEG super respected. Indeed, it has been super respected. I'll give you mod. Yeah, I'll give you mod on YouTube. I don't know if you can do it on YouTube. Give me 1 sec though. That's your first presentation, fair value gap. I mean, super respected. Yeah, just nothing's happening though. No interest. Why CLSK halted? No idea what that is. I think I did it, Quala. So we could get a breaker block here and a fair value gap, and we'll go short. That would be nice. High, low, higher, high, lower, low. This would be your breaker block right here. Just nothing's happening. But Quala got the blue and the thing. Nice. It's really nice. Got a PayPal notification. I think your boy just got paid. Shit. Let's fucking go. Kola, don't cancel me. Yeah, don't cancel anyone. Bearish fair value gap here, guys, and we'll go short. I think we'll take the inversion too. How many stop points is that? Let's just do 10 because I don't want to calculate it. If we get the inversion, I'll do it. I'm not even going to wait for the fair value gap. If it wicks, then we'll wait for a fair value gap. All right, we'll short this. All right. Took it on the funded. Stops to the breaker high. Yeah, I like that stop. 30, 60. Yeah, I like that stop loss. This is gold. This is Nasdaq. Let's get a full TP. Yeah, maybe. Let's see. Get our standard deviations here. I need this to just stay heavy. This would be like my target. I guess this equal low would be this sell side here would be my target. And then you have your TGIF. I'll probably add one if we tap into the fair value gap. Did ES take previous day high? Yeah, I did. ES tapped into the fair value gap. Let me just think here. Standard deviation. It's measuring the move for me. So it's just hard. It's just hard to get info. Hard to get into? No, it'll take some time, but it's not that hard. You can do it, bro. All right. If we're wrong, we're gonna wick, and then I don't think we're wrong, to be honest. I'm not even gonna. I'm being honest. This is pretty high probability trade, so I think it'll go lower. Previous hourly high. Oh, PHH, previous hourly high. I use Top Step and my funded futures. Previous hourly high. Did we take 9 a.m. high? Nope. We have S&T at 9 a.m. high. Might add one on my funded account here. We'll see. Where's your TP? It's gonna be like down here. It'll depend on what time it is, and then it's gonna depend on what time it is, and depend on the price action when we get there. You're in the shorts on the fair value gap there. Yeah, it's a really good short in my opinion. You know, hopefully it plays out. It's a good one. I didn't calculate my risk. 34 times 2, 70, 140. Yeah, 2 micros. Yeah, we definitely have a candle with no wick here. But if you go to the 2-minute, 2-minute, you know, it's just a lower time frame thing. 3-minute looks fine. Like I said, we don't want to see a wick here. Should go lower. Looks pretty good though. It's quite a large leg. 2-minute. Still a 2-minute above us. If we can get below here right away, like that's a really good sign. You know, what are you targeting? My true final target. So we'll cover this. I guess we'll cover it here. My true final target is pretty low. I wouldn't expect more than this. It's gonna be the daily volume imbalance high. That's my last. This is my fine. That's a really long. That's 200 seconds. That's a reach. But I wouldn't hold it to that. I think it can honestly get here. It's possible. I would. That's just ridiculous though. I'm not gonna. Maybe the 4-hour fair value gap. I'll just keep it simple. The sell side here, the 4-hour fair value gap, to me that looks good. So I guess these 3 black lines, you know. depending on the time and the market structure, we'll see how I want to manage the position there. I mean, probably reduce my stop loss when we get here. I wouldn't remove it though. But I like this 4-hour fair value gap. Look at ES as well. Yeah, fine. Let's see. Someone said London lows. Can we get another leg higher here and it be valid? We could. 5-minute had to rebalance. I wouldn't really want to see it go up there, but it could. What are the lines? Can you explain what they do? These are just what I'm targeting. So what I'm looking is I want to see how price reacts here and here, and then my final objective if we get there. If we get here, this is like my final, like, I don't care what happens at this point. Like, the position is coming off here, you know? What's up, Steph? So don't worry too much about the last line. But the other two lines are there because if I'm wrong about my idea, right, there's a good chance it'll come here and then come back up. So I'm analyzing to see, well, if I am wrong, right, how is price gonna, what would happen here for me to be like, yeah, you know what, I'm probably wrong, you know? So like if we come down here and then I start seeing like this, I'm gonna start saying, okay, you know, maybe we're wrong. So I'm just marking it out as a line just to see. It's just a place I think price gonna go, you know? But I think we got a good one, but let's see. You know, we got the order block there. Let's see if it holds. You could trail your stop here, kind of risky, but you could. Ideally, in a perfect world, it doesn't come back up here. But we do have an open fair value gap there, so always just be mindful of the higher time frame. Like for example, the 4-minute. There's no order block there. Just we're also wicking here, which is not good. Like we're wicking. This isn't an area you would want to see it reject, right? It should ideally just go right through, kind of like how it's doing right now. It should continue. It should go right through if we're correct. The order block rejected. You said, can you check Discord? I got you, bro. I'll check Discord. Oh, is there editor? I don't know if what's your target. Final target is the 4-hour fair value gap in discount. That's like the final target, bro. AI software that would do it for us. I mean, so far trade's going good. Up 400 on the eval, up 60 on the funded. Obviously, I risk less on the funded, right? I'm not doing this much risk on my funded account. Close below the bullish candle. This one right here, that would confirm a propulsion block. That would be a pretty good sign, yeah. We have perfect equal lows, you know, probably gonna run those on ES. Perfect equal lows here, probably gonna run those on ES. What's good, MMXM? It's about to go full TP? Maybe. That's my final target, but I'm not gonna partial there. I'm not gonna partial here, but maybe I'll partial here. What low is this? London lows? Pre-market London. I'll probably take something off there. It'd be pretty greedy for me to not take something off there. I feel like that's the Iraqian boy. Iraq is with a Q, bro. Took the same trade line. Watch to take over 200 profit to withdraw unfunded. Hey man, it's better than a loss, you know? So if you have the issue where like, you know, we were up maybe like 500 on this, for example. If you have that issue where you're like, fuck, that's too much, like I'm just gonna take it. Okay, that's fine, you know, take your money. Because that's gonna happen, it's inevitable. But just make sure you stay and then watch and then journal what happened after, you know? Write it down like, okay, you know what, I got emotional. I took the profits before my level or whatever. And then journal, you trail your stop to 21,205. Yeah, I mean, well, if we like start coming up here, I'll just close. But this is trading. Oh, this is ICT trading. ICT, brother. What app is this? This is Trading View. Trade my stop loss to 21,205. What website is this? Trading View. 21025. Yeah, it's not bad. That's the 4-hour. What happened? Oh, sorry, 4-minute. I wouldn't do that one personally, but I like my stoppers. I mean, yeah, just leave it there. So say, for example, like hypothetically, you refuse to give the notes. No, I didn't, bro. It's in my Discord. I don't even give them. Just go download it. It's in there. I mean, I'm in Canada. I'm doing it, so I don't see why not. Well, just a good setup. This was pretty like A- setup. You know, the only thing bad about this setup was obviously we're near all-time highs, so the territories are just it's a difficult place to be to look for trades. The second, sorry, it's ICT. I'll write it out for you. I'll explain it to you in a bit, Caleb. So, what was I saying? Oh, is it A+? I wouldn't say A+, no, but it's a really good setup. Yeah, I would take this every time. No question asks, you know? Aligns with TGIF, aligns with the reversal. You have a market maker sell model here. I know it's super ugly because whatever happened here. Respected first presentation. And like we said, the first place I'd expect it to go is right here, you know? I'm not going to close my position there. In birth to 15, that's really good. Yeah, that's small 15. I'm not going to close it here. Not even going to trail my stop yet. I guess you could trail it there, but it's just the OB is there. It could definitely come back. And yeah, I'm just going to keep it like this. You can't access your Discord account. Did the link in my bio work or no? Yeah, no. I just hold on. It's because the stop loss is so big. That's why it's, yeah. So. What's up, Albert? If we can get the 30-minute OB, where's your TP? Final TP is the 4-hour fair value gap, but we'll see how it goes. How do you have different trend lines with different names on each? They're called layouts. So when I do this, you can template anything. So say you want to make a template. Let's say you want to mark out I don't know, like I don't know, bro. Like let's just say swing high, right? Then you can click this, save it as swing high. I'm not gonna do it. I don't want that one, but you get the idea. 4 equal lows on ES, you know, probably gonna run that. Oh, if it does pass the 50% of OBS. The 30-minute one? Oh, you mean doesn't? Hopefully it does or doesn't. This one right here, you mean? It could take out the high there. I think we put in like there's a 3-minute fair value gap there. There's a 4-minute fair value gap there. We just tapped into the 5-minute fair value gap. 5-minute order block. 5-minute change in state of delivery. It's all here. That's your 5-minute order block. So that's why I'm not moving my stop loss. I was going to take a while. That's okay, Benja. Just put it in your notes now. You don't got to be the same bearish. Maybe not, bro. We'll find out. We will find out, my brother. If we get the inversion here on ES, yeah. My question, an early close. We don't even take the sell side. DDS. I guess ES never ever inverted that fair value gap. So yeah, it definitely could keep going up, but should have already sent lower. I mean, it did, you know. But I still think there's a good chance we go lower. Let's see if the 5-minute order block rejects. You know, you have your OTE entry here. I mean, ideally, it doesn't, like, this is a deep retracement, right? Ideally, when you're in trade, it doesn't have a deep retracement. How'd you learn all this? ICT, YouTube. Yeah, SMT at the lows. Yeah, there is. Your SL is pretty big. Yep, that's why we only did 10 micros. Stop loss needs to cover the 5-minute order block there and the 5-minute breaker. Or the mitigation, sorry. So, if you react, we take the highs. How do you learn this? This is all from ICT's YouTube channel. So let's see here. We just entered the premium. We hit the order block, breaker block. What's the market limit for top step on 50K? Top Step X or Trade of 8? Trade of 8's less. It's not that much. It's like 3 or something. 3 or 4 or 5 or something. 5 contracts. So we should reject from here. It shouldn't go really much higher than this. If it does, we'll just close early. And I'll just keep the 1 minute marked out there. Oh. How much you earn in a month from this, including losses? 0. I don't know. I've had 3 payouts so far, but I haven't had a payout since then. So ask me in like a couple months. I don't get payouts every month. You want to know eval or express koala? Yeah, I think maybe Kaneki knows. Express is max 2. Assuming you have no what's it called? Like boost. Like it depends how much is in your account, how much margin you have. I'm in on the breaker. The breaker entry is nice, but you would expect it to reject here. But this is a pretty deep retracement, and it was pretty bearish here. So just seeing that immediate move back. Are you on demo or live? I'm on a funded account. Skill issue, it's only mental issue stopping you. Me? Oh, mental for sure, bro. 100%. My biggest downside, I have 2. One is lack of patience. Lack of patience is probably one of my biggest downsides. And the second thing that's even bigger is when I lose, UTP, nope, still in the trade. What's it called? When I lose, if it fails to inverse. They definitely help me stay accountable. But revenge trading, revenge is not that bad for me. It's no, sorry. When I lose, I lose confidence. You know, when I lose like 2 or 1, 2, 3 in a row, I lose confidence. You know, and then the biggest downside of that is I don't take setups that I'm supposed to be taking, which is just not good, obviously. All right, well, there's your unicorn entry, right? If it's gonna reverse, it should reverse now. I'm not gonna change my stop loss. His TP is hourly. No, my TP is the 4-hour fair value gap high, so I don't know what that is. This is my final TP. I mean, I might take something off here, but we'll see. Feeder is our problem. You lost it. You know, I might take. That's another thing too. I take a lot of trades in high resistance liquidity. You know. Huge profit the day that the live stream crashed. Oh my god! Don't even talk about it, Reeks. Don't even talk about it. I mean, we've had a 2-minute fair value. We should inverse this, no problem. If we don't, yeah, I might close the trade. Yeah. For me, it's not really scared. It's just like I become too patient, you know? If that makes sense. Like I start waiting for too many things where like I don't even need that. Like that's not even my model. 5-minute fair value gap. We had a 5-minute bullish? No, not yet, not yet. Yeah, the 50 minutes is important. We'll stop about that. I know what we get back there. No, we might have an SMT, so. Are you short? Yeah, we're in shorts. How does my funded trader work? Is it a funded account right when you buy? If it says instant funding, then yeah. That's exactly what it is. No, I'm not closing yet. I mean, do we get the SMT? The good news is we were smart enough to take Nasdaq. You would exit? Oh hell no. I would personally never exit here. We broke structure twice. No, I'm still bearish on the higher time frame. I mean, it is very choppy. The only thing like that I'm thinking here is we could just, you know, stay in the range. So the fact that we came here, like maybe it's not going to be expansive either direction. Maybe it just stays in this little range. So you still can't pull. I don't know. There's no like. It just said like it says remove as standard moderator. Is that why? Should I remove you as standard moderator? I don't know what that means. We have bullish SMT. Yeah, that is true. But I'm still bearish. Yep, it looks good for bearish order flow again. Oh, you know how? I tried this way, but I don't know what to. I don't know what to do, bro. I don't. My risk management is if I made 2 weeks work in one trade, I'm taking profit. You got stop break even. That's okay, bro. We should get through this fair value gap too. If we reject. I mean, yes. Yeah, that wick is pretty strong right now. But we'll see. What are your TPs? Final TP is the 4-hour fair value gap, but I'll probably take something off here. Maybe I'll full close it here. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, join the Discord, bro. It's lit. Yeah, how do I do that call? How do I I thought I gave you moderator, so I don't know. I thought it came like with it. ES 930, no wick still? Oh, there's a wick there. We haven't gotten there though, yeah. You're right. If we can reject off this, then that's pretty good. 2-minute inversion. Yeah, I mean, we're probably gonna bump this high. We'll see. We're probably gonna take out this high, but it still wouldn't invalidate the trade for me. ES very bullish, yeah. Like I was hoping Nasdaq's weakness would lead, but it seems like it's not leading, But still chilling. What's the hourly candle looking like? Yeah, just a wick on both sides. Yeah, I mean ES probably gonna take those highs, unless we took it on the full contracts. Yeah, it's a failure swing on the full contracts there. No, no editor roll. Hold on, let me try something. Koala. Koala, do you want to try it now? Best case scenario, you get saved by SMT. I wouldn't say saved. My trade has never been invalidated yet. Respect that you're on here ditching. I'm mostly just showing my journey, and then if people have questions about what I do, I'll answer. I don't know. Someone said you've been saved if SMT. It wouldn't be saved yet. I haven't been invalidated yet. My trade is only invalidated if we inverse this fair value gap. Do you have any codes for a prop firm? If you trade Forex prop firms, yeah, I have one, but not for any of the others. What does it mean when there's 2 hourly bearish SMTs? 2 hourly bearish SMTs? Then just know it's probably like when there's a large lack in correlation. That's not good. I mean, SMT is good in a specific circumstance, but when it's really different, like for example, like ES is just bullish, like straight up. Like ES is just straight bullish. It's just been bullish order flow. It depends where the divergence is. If it's at the highs, then you're looking for shorts ideally. But yeah, like ES is just straight bullish. It's not like even. I don't care about CRT, so I'm just gonna ignore the rest of that message, brother. But if it works for you, good luck. 10:30 should bring in volume. Hopefully, we've been in this trade for a while now. 10:07. Resistance liquidity. Lower, you mean? But like, yeah, this is lower probably. That's why I said it's not an A+ trade, because ES isn't bearish, and we've been in a range already the whole day. You get shorts off the wick. You're gonna sell? Yeah, we're still in the short, just waiting. See. Oh yeah, I didn't buy. You were asking about the divergence. Yeah, we went short. Paula, can you try now or no? I like that we engineered the relative equal lows here. If we get a bearish value gap, I might even add a position, to be honest. I don't know. We'll see. ES is so bullish. Still can't. So is the SMT your protected low? You mean high? I'm in a short. Why don't you get ES if it's more clean? It's not more clean. It's more bullish. I'm bearish. Scan the two. It's just very choppy, you know? Still looks bearish to me, but the fact that it's so choppy, the fact that it's so like in a range, it gives me the assumption that it's not going to be a one-sided expansion, you know? Like it's not just going to keep going lower and lower and lower or higher and higher and higher. It's just going to keep doing this. But still, my trade hasn't been invalidated for me, so we will hold. You know, appreciate everyone staying here, watching me through this trade. Yep, sideline's always good. Gonna be like this until the macro? Possibly. You know, we could always exit the position and try to re-enter at 1050. Look for another setup because, you know, not much is happening here. Like, obviously, another setup is going to present itself in the same trade, but this is trash. Yeah, this is, you know, this was a really good run. I'm honestly really surprised we didn't take the sell side. Like, this move up, sure, you can anticipate a move up like this. But before taking the sell side, TGIF Monday, could be TGIF Monday, could be TGIF PM session, could be never TGIF, you know? Gatie enters, market gets choppy. Yeah, every time, bro. It's been very, very consistent with that. All right, this high right here is a PD array. I want to see, can we sweep it and then go lower? Friday strat goes crazy. All right. Our first SMT in favor of ES. So maybe now that we have SMT like this, I wouldn't expect it, but maybe. If this fails, we'll just close the position. Because it's just showing me they're going to go opposite way since they are correlated. You still in drawdown? Yep. Here's the sweep. It's not looking like a sweep right now. Right now, it's looking like probably just going to come up all the way here. Like ES is at all-time highs right now, you know? Like the S&P 500 is at its all-time high. So the short is, of course, going to be risky, you know? Just hit my fib. It's going down. Hey, bro, I hope your fib is the holy grail. That's what high conditions do. It's going to take the liquidity, then yours come down. Possibly, but we'll find out. Higher than that? I'm insane, bro. Oh, if we get the order block here, I'll probably close my position. Bullish 1 minute breaker. Yeah, there's a breaker here. 100%, yeah. Ugh. Someone said, ugh, that's not good. Yeah, it's not good. I'm staying out. It's hard to say. I think it's going to go up now. Yeah, it's probably done. Probably done. Gonna leave my stop where it is though. Fib is easy, but it's moving odd with Nas right now. I mean, yeah, ES is at all-time highs. So, like, if you were not even looking at Nasdaq right now, the shorts make literally no sense. It got so close to the sell side. Yeah, it really did. The fact it didn't take the low, I'm pretty surprised. A couple points off. Look at that wick on the hourly, bro. Look at ES. ES is so bullish, bro. You all should never say hopefully. I guess that's a good point, actually. It was 12 ticks away from my TP. That's pretty upsetting. Good luck. Time to get back to the charts. Yes, sir. Did we form a 2-minute bullish? Yeah, we did. We inversed the 2-minute. 10 a.m. open? Yeah, we went to 10 a.m. open. When's your birthday? December 9th. We should probably close this position. But I think I'm just gonna let it hit the stop because it's already lower risk. December 13th, welcome. Now I have more information about you. What are you gonna do with that? 12th November? Hey, almost there, Trevor. Yo, on Trevor's birthday, we're going full port longs. Is that the Tuesday? Tuesday, full port longs, Trevor's birthday. We should lose. We should lose, honestly, yeah. We should. But we haven't closed. There we go. Maybe. Maybe there we go. Like, we're literally shorting all-time highs right now on ES, pretty much, you know? We'll bring the stop here now, though. Told you Fib got hit. Maybe. Hey, let's see. You know, don't react too much to just one, two, three candles. You know, give it some time. See. I mean, I can't lie. That candle, it does look really good, but just wait. You know, don't get too entitled to anything. See what I'm saying, bro? Like this stop to say above that recent high. Yeah, this is a good stop loss now. It shouldn't. We changed the state again, so. On-dominant bullish breaker hit 2R. Your short is in now. I mean, sure. I don't think the algorithm moves like that, but sure. You know. What's your opinion on Pepe? Like the frog? I don't know, man. He's funny, probably. Just blew my accounts. How do you do this profitably? I mean, I've blown a lot of accounts. Patience is the name of the game. I mean, maybe. Nothing's happened. I might actually add one on my funded here because the risk now is 18. Add one on the funded, maybe. What's the risk now? Like, let's up the risk here. 15, 20. That's 400. That's already enough. What do you think about T Bling's Robin's account? Max loss did you take? 2, bro. Two trades max, not even lost. If I win my first trade, usually I'm done for the day. I don't even go again. Unless it's like playing off the same idea and I'm looking for a re-entry on the same idea. I don't like this wick. Hopefully this candle can revert. What do you risk per trade? 200. 200 on the first trade of the day, 100 on the second trade of the day. Assuming I lost the first one. Yep, entered on funded 2, yeah. Entered on funded 2. Yusuf, that's, you know what, Yusuf, I'm sorry, bro, because that should be happening. Like, you entered along here, and that shit just on your ass. So comfortably 300 a day. Yep, usually it's not 300 though, Chris, because I managed it pretty well during the trade. Like, for example, like this, right? I moved my stop here now, so if I were to lose, it'd be less. 300 is the max, bro. 300, like, you know, honestly, even 300 gets me a little bit, like, on edge, but I can lose 300 and be like, all right, we're done. You're regretting the decision? I know. Listen, boys, just let out the emotions, because I promise you, to the person who went long and got immediately stopped. I'm sorry, I'm laughing. It's funny because that's happened to me so many times. Like, the market will be like so like one-sided, and then you finally enter, and that shit on your fucking stop loss, bro. It's like literally they were waiting for you to enter the position, bro. I'm in the same shorts. Exactly. After the first loss, I cut my risk in half for the next trade. This shit better inverse, making me feel better. I know the ones. You want to see it go up to make sure that you were right. This is not a good way. Did you get on the inverse or on the retrace of the civvy? I got it on the inversion right here, 10:04. This inversion. It's been a while. I've been in this trade. Too late to enter shorts? I mean, no. I just took it. I added one position, so on my funded. Gotta laugh when you love when you take L's and laugh. I mean, sometimes it's honestly funny, bro. Like I get it. At one point it's frustrating, but at one point it happens so often that it's like you kind of just over the frustration. Look at Discord, bro. That's how you do it. YouTube Studio bottom left setting button and permissions tab. Okay, let me try. I said at the top I said at the top we should be good. HMT plus 3 drives and good to short. Yeah. Should inverse this. You shorted ES? Yo, shorted ES is crazy. Stop loss all-time highs? Bro, saying you cut the move of this, you could catch the move of the century, bro. Shorting ES all-time highs? Oh, this last month is bad for me. First red month of the year. Yeah, October. Guys, October really set me back, We were doing really good. We were on track for a payout. And October screwed me. It was me. It wasn't. I'm not blaming October. I'm just saying in October I got my ass whooped. It will go down for sure. No. What did we say about that shit? Don't say it. That's it. If we're right, it'll go down. We could still be wrong. Hasn't even inversed this fair value gap. Never. How do you manage risk in October any differently? No. It's nothing like different. Just I didn't do that good, The market, in my opinion, was really difficult to go up for my sanity. Bro, no one's been eating that shit. YouTube Studio. Got my first payout this week. Nice, bro. First payout always feels good, bro. Hopefully it leads to more and more. This looks like failed. This looks failed, guys. This looks failed as fuck. I might even close this shit if I'm being honest. I mean, our stop loss is pretty tight. Market is horrible. It's just so rangy, Forming a bullish fair value gap. You almost know it's gonna form a bullish fair value gap here, Oh. Anyways, why do you leave it hourly low? I'm aiming for the 4-hour fair value gap, bro. Everyone keeps saying the hourly low. What hourly low? My real final TP is all the way down here. But like I said, I'll probably take something off here. Maybe even here, because it's been pretty choppy. Oh, you're gonna get the fair value gap. Okay, if we can get below this candle, I will officially say I think it's gonna TP. If we don't, then I'm not gonna say look at the elimination in your position. I just need this. No, I know, Ryan. You're good, bro. Don't worry. I've accepted win or loss on this one long fucking time ago. So, okay, YouTube Studio. Left button settings, permissions. Bro, I can't give you permissions on my channel. That if I do that, then you can post shit on my channel and shit, bro. This doesn't have to do with live stream permissions. Just set it to poll. I don't see that option. It just says permissions and then invite. No. It just says permissions for GatieTrades' channel. Who do you want to have permissions for his channel? I'll have to search up how to give someone in this high resistance. No, we don't need no turtle soup. All right. Where did you get funded? Top Step. I've been funded with Apex as well, but that didn't go well. That trailing drawdown and got my ass in 2 days. Yeah, honestly, guys, it's not looking good. I'm honestly considering closing this. Fridays are awful. Yeah, it usually is. I was expecting nice TGIF delivery because you don't know how to make a pull. Bro, I'm pretty sure you can, bro. Just click. If you click the plus sign, do you have a plus sign there or no? Go break even. And that doesn't even make sense. I'll get stopped out. Are you on your phone or computer, Koala? Yeah. No, don't say that, Sanchez. We've all been there, you know? It's kind of just the process. You have to go through it. You close? Yeah. The thing is, like, I've so accepted the risk. Stop being so emotional. Am I really being that emotional? I don't think I'm being. Like I said, you're being so emotional. I feel like it'd be a lot worse. Quit being emotional. Stop being emotional. What? I don't think I'm being that emotional. Maybe a little bit. Stops break even. The stops break even don't make sense though. Why are you laughing? Be sad. I'm holding to. Nah, I'm not gonna close it. I'm not gonna close it. I just. The thought came to my mind. What's your risk to reward? If we full TP, I mean the original stop loss was all the way up there, so you got to go from the original, obviously. So the original risk to reward, assuming it full TP, it was 4, right? Don't think it's gonna full TP. I mean, honestly, it could, but the reason I say when you trade, you have to be depressed. So you're saying if I cry, it'll go my way. Add more if it closes the bullish FEG. The reason I'm bringing up the suggestion to close is one, it's obviously very like prices being held, right? Macro could deliver lower. Bro, I entered 40 minutes ago. It's not my fault. I went to 40 minutes of consolidation after I entered, bro. uh, being wrong is a good thing. Yeah, you learn. What's the payout percentage? You get 50% for your first 30 winning until you get 30 winning days, and you can do whatever you want. You got out. Good for you, bro. The reason I'm saying I should get out is because we're literally just shorting all-time highs here. You know, like ES just made a brand new all-time high. You know, like what? We're just algorithmic buys in this fair value gap. Am I able to trade on my phone if I don't have a laptop? Yep, you can trade on your phone. It's ES our time, we should get those shorts. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. ES has never even shifted. Okay, I guess this shift was pretty significant, but it literally undid that whole move. Like ES is just so bullish, bro. Like reality, we should close this trade, bro. I've accepted the risk a long time ago, and I'd rather just let it hit my stop loss at this point. You're right. There is no reason for it to be this high. It's Friday. Close inside the week. You know, like when is this? When is the high of the week gonna get put in? Are they really gonna extend this all the way to PM? Is someone to feel this? I'm not a robot. Yep, it's someone to feel it, bro. 100%. Like being emotional is one thing. Acting on emotion is another. You know, two different things, guys. You can't just not have emotions. You know, in my opinion. We're probably gonna close this, guys. It is the macro. Like the macro looks like it's gonna deliver higher. You know, I don't think the macro is gonna be like our saving grace. At what time does it typically happen? TJF, AM or PM? Usually it's whenever the criteria is met. What is the algorithm? Good question, bro. I don't know. Trading algorithm that delivers price. TGIF usually happens when all the criteria is met. So whenever you're trading at the high of the week, so that was right here, like this whole area, that's when it would happen. The hourly fair value gap. High resistance long 3 times and got chopped. Yeah, it's super choppy, bro. Well, we'll just leave our stop loss there. Just point that market with 1 million. Thank you, bro. All right, no, not thank you. Opposite. Yeah, there's no problem with that, Kaneki. Exactly. If we form the bullish fair value gap, the hourly candle. I mean, the hourly candle is bearish again. That's good, right? We're probably gonna get stopped here. Let's just see what happens, bro. Like they sweep my stop loss and they continue higher. It definitely looks like it's gonna continue higher, you know? Like ES is so bullish, you know? So bullish. But I've accepted the risk. Check Discord? Sure. Oh, that's sick. I'm gonna use that, bro. Dude, that's sick. That's really good, bro. Yo, thank you, bro. I'm 100%. That shit is nice. That shit's real nice. You entered ES based on ES all-time highs? Yep. Probably stop loss here, guys. 45 minutes just to lose. That is trading for you. The wrong thing is I did, yep, check Discord. Appreciate you on that, bro. XPX went higher due to 6,000 pull. Not sure what that means. Your daily loss limit got hit. This is going to be a long journal for you, brother, then. You know? Bro, why is it coming back down here? It gave me, guys, it gave me one more chance to break even. It was like, yo, we'll give you one more chance. You're still bearish? Maybe later on in the day, maybe not now, bro. I don't think anyone can like see this and be like, it's going down. Coulda, shoulda, woulda moment. It's at its finest, for real. You talking about the break even? Bro shorted when ES was closing above. No, I didn't, bro. I shorted right here. Guys, I shorted 45 minutes ago. Bro, my trade technically still has never been invalidated. Like we never inverse the fair value gap I entered off of, bro. Oh. Yeah. I mean, yes did, but not Nas. You been in this, Trevor, or did you let it go? Oh my god, someone said failed my 200K funded. Girl left me skinny as fuck, broke, and I had to hit legs today. I'm emotional. That's funny, bro. Look, guys, I'm gonna expose everyone on YouTube. I'll read this shit, guys. Someone said order block. Yeah, maybe. But it's probably a stop loss here. What I entered off of? I entered all the way over here. Where do you live? You look sleepy as fuck. Shit, bro. I live in Canada, bro. I don't think I look that sleepy. Holding for real too long. Yeah, maybe. Hard to say. Oh, enough with that weird shit, bro. ES is literally like we're literally picking a full top on ES here. Like ES is literally all-time highs. My fault. Been holding for an hour. 50 minutes for me. Real ES could drop. It could, but it's like impossible to know when. Like we're basically just have to get lucky at this point. Stop loss hit. Yeah. You had it at the FEG high there. Second candle. Took the 6,000. Buddy, you're profitable. All right, guys. It was a nice 50-minute trade. Looks like we're reaching the end. Unless this Holy Grail wick is our savior. Doesn't look like it anymore. For a second there. But I'm not alone. It is what it is, bro. To the journal we go. 1050 macro. Hourly candle is now bullish. Don't put me through another chop fest, bro. Nice to meet you. Okay, 5-minute immediate rebalance. I'll chop with you for save your wick. The secret rejection block? Nah, there's no way. It'll go up, I think. The volume imbalance there. We could have closed it at the volume imbalance. What do you think of a long? You click buy right now. You have like 100% chance to hit my stop loss. Actually, let me not say 100. Let me say like 95. Do you use the 0 GMT or 0 EST of Power 3, your brother? UTC -5 is my time zone. I'm always trading on New York time. There's hope. Someone said there's hope. Bro, there is hope. There is hope. I don't know. If we get the breaker block. Someone said there's hope. That's so funny. Click sell so you can get out at break even. I usually do both. They're pretty much moving the same right now. Oh, actually, there's quite a difference here. Rejection block. Oh my god, did I just see green on the trade again? Favorite cologne? I like the 1 million. You should have entered on the OB instead of entering the FEG. I mean, I entered 50 minutes ago, so I don't know. It probably seems like I entered here. Oh, you mean this OB? Or this OB? I entered all the way over here, so like I literally oh, right here. A lot of people watching today, yeah. A lot of people watch me hold a 50-minute trade. I broke one rule, moved one positions out to 5 minutes, and it's still safe. Listen, there's nothing wrong with moving your stop loss as long as you're doing it for common sense and not for like an emotional. Gosh, should I just get out break even, bro? Like this is so shit. I'll just bring my stop loss like here. Like yeah, this is so bad. Like it's gonna if it comes up even a little bit, it's just gonna run the shit out of my shit. So we'll trail it a bit. It's better to get out. 1 million soon. You better break even if it comes down to. Give it a little bit of a chance. Diddy Candle coming for the stops. GG's. 100 views on TikTok. For real. 100 on TikTok. 150 on YouTube. Today was a good live stream. You know? Probably one of the most boring ones. We've been in the same trade for. It's 11 o'clock. Bro, I'm starving, bro. This was a bad chop. Hey, I'm glad we all doubled this chop together, though. You invest 1 minute, just leave it to sell side. I'm just going to leave it like this. Probably a stop loss here. I'll put it like a couple ticks higher. Just to match the fair value gap on ES. Market, I can't believe you're still in that. Yo, talk about, yo, like, literally, like, POV, you enter the market. This is what happens, bro. Listen, I'm okay with losing the trade. Mentally, I'm okay. Totally fine, you know? What I'm not okay with is if I close this shit break even and it fucking runs lower, I know I will hate myself after. I will regret it so much, you know? Not something I'm okay with. I'd rather just let it hit my stop loss if it wants to. Average day after. Yeah, this is typical, guys. Usually it's like 2 or 3 hours chop when I enter. It will run lower, but it is when. You talk like you don't have patience, but you do. Sometimes I do. I'm good at holding trades, right? My patience isn't when it comes to holding trades. Holding trades, no problem. Yeah, only futures empire. Holding trades, I have no problem with. My patience, my lack of patience comes from entering trades too early. That's my 50K funded. Good shit, bro. Proud of you. That's really good, bro. I hope you get 100 fucking payouts. It's not a scalp, it's a swing. What'd you enter off of? I entered off of the inversion fair value gap right here. 1004. At least we managed to reduce our risk. I can hold trades and drawdown, but can't hold them when they're in profit. That's funny as fuck. Sorry. I'm in shorts. What props should I go with for futures? My first recommendation is Top Step. Second recommendation is My Funded Futures. I could. What's the balance for the fundeds? Currently minus. It's like fluctuating because of the trade, like 880. All I see is barcode. Yeah. Break even? We'll break even, bro. If I break even, just click X at that point, bro. There's one bad thing about this, and it's that the 11 a.m. candle doesn't even have a good high. Boys, we got a candle closure over our entry. Oh, wait, not yet, not yet. We got a candle closure over our entry. This is gonna be a funny video if I make a video. If this hits TP, this would honestly be one of my most patient trades. How much time did you spend learning ICT? I still learn to this day, brother. It will hit TP. I don't know, man. I don't know anything anymore. Honestly. I'm being straight up with you guys right now. I have no conviction about what's gonna happen. I'm still leaning towards lower. Just don't know if it's gonna happen now. It could go through lunch. That's typical. It's just way too choppy for me to make any assumptions right now. This is my first trade of the day. Shorting at all-time highs. Shorting the SMT at all-time highs. There's a difference. All right, guys. This is our last chance. This fair value gap right here. I might actually trail my stop right here. Yeah. I shorted 50 minutes ago when it wasn't consolidated. So you just lost the trade? Nope. One trade. I'll show you the executions. Look, we entered short over here. I've been in the same trade since. Stops are not break even, but I like where my stop is. We're going to put it right here, actually. That's it. Stops are there. Why are you getting money when it's going down? Because I went short. If you go short, then you want it to go down. We just took out equal lows. Like, this is a good TP, honestly. If you've been in a trade this long. But I'm not fucking TPing, bro. Yeah, exactly. Hold of hell. What's macro? Macro is this time window that I'm about to mark out right here. Give me a couple Diddy candles. Macro is 1050 to 1110. Oh my god, guys, remember that fair value gap that we never inversed? We finally inversed it, bro. Oh wait, did we? Yeah, we did. Every last 10 in the first 10 of the hour. Yep, exactly what he said. How long you been in the trade? It's been officially, in 10 seconds, officially 1 hour. We finally went break even. I wouldn't be surprised, guys, if it stops right here, though. I honestly wouldn't be surprised. Did you update your trade system? Do you update your trade system? So usually every 20 trades, but right now I'm not updating anything. I'm not updating anything. I'm not Sorry, not updating anything until after I blow the accounts or get a payout. So I'm waiting. I'm waiting extra time on this one. All right, guys, let's start going right back into the range. Yep, I execute on TradingView. What does going short mean? It's a good question. You know who can explain that question better than me? ChatGPT. Give me one sec. Explain how you make money going short. Yeah, this is not sorry. Can't wait for all that, buddy. Is Upstart a good stock? No idea. Guys, I think it's finally done. I think we should close it right here. Right there. We're done, guys. Officially 1 hour and 1 minute. And minus 40. It's done. What happens to go short on a commodity and the buyer doesn't choose to cash out? The buyer doesn't choose to cash out. If you're buying a commodity futures contract, I think you shouldn't trade today. I mean, I'm done for today. That's what you're saying. W trade. What made you take this short? TGIF setup. Thanks for being my liquidity TP1 hit. Broke even, bruh. Bruh, I removed your message for a reason, koala. How do you copy trade on multiple accounts through TradingView? You'd have to get rep. You can't do it on TradingView. PA was so good when we entered. Yeah, if this dumps now that we got out, let's see. Short still look good. It's still good. You're right. We got out there. Yeah, it's okay, koala. You take partials? Nope. Did not take any partials. It was a break even or minus 40. Time to dump? Yeah. Would make sense, right? Would make sense. No, it's okay. It's okay. Amazon, please. I wouldn't buy, me personally, wouldn't buy any stock right now. I'd just wait for a dump. PA was good when we entered. What time frames do you use? All of them, really. I just, scan through them all quickly. When I'm looking to enter, it's almost always the 1 minute, but I'll scan them all. We got the 5-minute rebalance there. Not even gonna do anything about it. That's trading, bro. Maybe you should have taken it to lows. This is a good TP. Yeah, this was. Honestly, it's hard to take it there, It's hard to take it there because, like, bro, think about it like my way. I had this shit for an hour. We finally show signs of, like, dumping. And then you just take it out early. Like, I'd rather just, But like I said, I literally called it out. This is a good TP, It's the smart TP. If you were in that trade, low probability conditions. I wouldn't say it's too low probability. I would take this trade again, I took the trade here. SMT, TGIF setup. I love TGIF setup. I don't know if I can do that. I can do like every good trade, but like it would be like 20, 30 seconds, It would be like the videos would be so fast that I shouldn't, like, I can post shorts. And let's go into hindsight. Hindsight is you should have TP'd here. It's like been so choppy. It's not really worth it to hold it. Just could have just closed it there and moved on. If it dumped, it dumped. But smartest thing to do would be close here. The price didn't run the equal lows. Can you explain TGIF? TGIF is when you're expecting a weekly retracement of, whoa, let me close that. A weekly retracement of 20 to 30%. So take your TGIF marker, look at the weekly candle. You're expecting it to come into this range. So this green line. So you're looking for an idea with this being your drawn liquidity. You're kind of given a free drawn liquidity per se. So like, does that make sense? Like an idea of where price is gonna go for free. I sent a request. Do you a green background on the profile? Nope, that's not me. It's probably somebody else. If we get a new breaker structure, what happens with this new week opening gap? A new BOS, what happens with this? What do you mean what happens with the new week opening gap? The new week opening gap's over here. So I'm not sure what you're understanding. I'm just answering. Are you still looking for trades? Nah, no. No. 0% chance actually. I'll just walk away, break even. Well, technically it's minus $20. Technically it's not break even. Technically it was lost. The deal was good looking for get Yeah, it is what it is. You know, it was a really good idea. I would take that again. We had a really clean breaker at 10 a.m. Nice fair value gap. Really clean equal lows, low resistance liquidity, imbalances to go down, TGIF aligned, silver bullet aligned, everything aligned, you know? Just it wasn't meant to expand, you know? Any other day where it would have expanded, this probably would have played out. But it just was not meant to expand today. We just kept going sideways. It is what it is. You know? In hindsight, and I did say this live, but I always say this shit and I don't act on it. You could have just closed the position here. It was up like 20 points. Like, SPY was a day trade today. I only trade futures stuff. But yeah, like you could have closed it here, equal lows. I'm glad we managed to break even. Technically, if we never moved, we'd still be in the trade. But like, how do you spot consolidation? Like this, brother. Alright, so we held that shit for an hour to fucking break even. Yeah, like this. Can you explain micro as macro? What? I don't understand. Thank God it's a bullshit Friday. Bro, I'm not gonna lie to you. TGIF hasn't played in so long, you know? Today's so choppy. I sold my trade at break even. Didn't get expected move I was looking for. Yep, I broke even as well, pretty much. You broke even after you took a long. Exactly what Koala said. Just here answering questions. I'll go over the journal as well. We'll do the journal. Trade 1. Trade 4. I mean, yo, good patience by us, in my opinion. We hit the hour mark. 10:04. We got out at 11:05. The original risk. Oh shit! I changed the risk, so I think it was like minus. It was at 140. Minus P&L minus 21 ended up being. So we managed to take off 120 of risk. Holy shit, Myso, let's fucking go, bro. It's fucking lit. So we're looking at TJF, really. Market maker stage 1, low risk entry. Yeah. We entered on the inversion market. Rules broken, none. Notes. Very sideways hourly candle. TJF did not play out. Phil is in here. He's your boy. What's up, Phil? Oh, Phil. Yo, Phil is the fucking boy, bro. That's where Phil comes from. TGIF did not play out. TGIF did not play out in AM session. That is. ES remained very bullish. In hindsight, I set it up myself. If you want my template, it's in my Discord, free, all yours. I should have TP'd at the equal lows at the very end. But I'm not gonna lie. But I got excited thinking it could continue. That's why I didn't TP. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. The only reason I didn't TP here because I was like, holy shit. You know? Could keep going lower. As for the entry chart, let's mark out the inversion I entered off of. Like we should have TP'd here, bro. We should have just been like, whatever. We'll take it. It's 1R, but whatever, you know? Whatever. You just gotta accept it sometimes. Like that's just ego. It's just ego that me not TPing there. Account balance on the fund is still in drawdown, minus 883. I'll come back and put the aftermath chart because I want to see it. I'm just gonna put aftermath chart at EOD to see it. We break the high, we form a bullish breaker block with a chop, making iffy, sub minus sell side, and if we break the high, we get market shares and 50% to the side. Our problem is jumping off trades too early, then jumping back in multiple times, not in a good spot. I used to do that too all the fucking time with them. All the fucking time, bro. You would exit and then be like, oh shit, it actually is going down. And then you re-enter, you get stopped, and then then you're done. Once that happens one time, you're done. Yeah, you're cooked. Your mental is gone. You're just trying to make it back and everything. So best of all, just try to avoid it if you can. When in short, NDOC should have taken SM 50 points. Too bad. Where do you live? Where are you from? I'm from Toronto, brother. What's a good broker? Depends where you're trading. Depends where you're trading. What are you trying to trade? If you want the Notion template, it's in my Discord. It's free. All yours, brother. Really good live stream today, though. A lot of people joined. Appreciate everyone watching me through the trade. Maybe you learned something. Maybe you didn't. For me, I definitely learned, and this is something I always struggle with. I just gotta take close the trade here, you know? Like, it's so choppy. It's so choppy. Just take the trade. They're broker for crypto. I use Coinbase. Yo, let me do a poll in the YouTube real quick. Let's just say results day. Win, loss. I'll do a poll or break even. Can you do a poll for me, Koala, on TikTok? I don't know how to do that shit. Let's just see, yo. Did you guys win today? Did you guys lose? Did you guys break even? Oh, people said win. Okay. Some people said win. That's cool. That's good. That's good. Some people break even. Loss. I'm assuming to see. Don't lie, bro. Like, don't lie to me. Don't lie to yourself. Lie to somebody else, bro. Loss for Kevin. Yeah. W. SMS. All those strategy. No trades. Nice. Oh my god, my guy's still in the trade, bro. Pray for this guy. Somebody pray for this guy. He's still in. None of the above, 0 trades here because I didn't see any plus. Nice, bro. Be patient. Trevor with the loss. L for guts. No trades. No trades. W500. Okay. See like that. You see the merchant from the breaker block. Get that first presentation inside. I like those breakers. You like the breaker with the first presentation? Yeah. SMC. Yep. Look trade after Rinv. Nice. Well, yeah, we should have definitely closed it there. And that's something I struggle with, if I'm being honest. Like, trade PM. I might actually trade PM. 2 p.m. I might actually, because this is so bad that it might actually be nice in the PM session. But I'd probably do it in the Discord, not run a whole live stream again. If I did. I usually, what I do is I'll look at the chart at like 115. If it looks possible that something nice forms, then I'll just take it. I don't want to short all-time highs, but there's going to be a wick at some point, so. Yo, what's good, my boy? What's good? What's good, brother? Trade. And okay, I'm gonna end the poll. I think it's only 20 people voted, bro. What the hell are you guys doing here, bro? You guys just watching? Y'all just watching? So most people lost. I mean, it's a difficult day. Definitely difficult. Price has been so shit. Yeah, very, very difficult. Gonna journal and record the day recap. Yep. Go to the journal, guys. This is my journal. It's all filled out. Really good show. Fridays are my birthday because you're just chill here. It happens to be like that quite a bit. Yeah, it's pretty rare. I thought we were gonna get a nice TGIF. Its setup formed really nicely. Just didn't play out. That's okay. One break even is okay. One break even is okay. We didn't really make any mistakes. I think everything I did was good. The only mistake I made was not closing the position here. It's hard to see in the moment because it looks like we're really shifting here. One guy voted. Appreciate you, bro. How do you journal your trades? Yeah, I use Notion. It's free. I set up my own template. If you want to use my template, you can. It's probably not going to make sense because like, these are my models. These are my, so my rules. It's not going to, you'd have to like change it to fit yours. But yeah, do that. If I do something really stupid and bad, I put it here. So it reminds me. Like this October to the 18th. Oh, worst day of my life, bro. Okay, that's excessive. It wasn't that bad, but like that was a bad day for me. So I put it in a separate section. Vote in the poll above. Yeah, yo, guys, vote in the poll. I mean, I think literally everyone just left TikTok. There was literally like 100 people here like 4 minutes ago. Yep, Notion is good. Notion is good. If you have the money, TradeZella is also really, really good. I really like TradeZella. I'm planning to get it on my next payout. Bro, all I'm gonna say is we've never inverted the fair value gap. I feel like entering a short without stop loss. I feel like, how do I duplicate your Notion template? It'll be at the top right. So once you click the link, there's gonna be a little booklet button. What was the journaling website called? It's called Notion. You can download the app or you can just do the browser. Do you mainly execute FEG inefficiencies? That's what I was thinking too. Wait, what? Sorry, what was it, Kevin? To TP at the lows? Do you mainly execute? Someone asked, do you mainly execute FEG inefficiencies to target liquidity? Pretty much. That's very simple way to do it. Yeah. But I have multiple ways to enter the trade. Multiple ways to enter the trade. So, like for example, the breaker is one. I think that's the only one that's not a fair value gap. Or if an inversion fair value gap. I just watched SB go 0.7. Who's SB? Oh yeah, I know what you mean. Like it still hasn't been invalidated. Oh, somebody went 0.7 today. That must be really frustrating. Macro ICT is sick. Try it. Yeah, I use macros. You got stopped out or you entered in longs? We got stopped out and break. I mean, it's not break even. It's minus 20s, but that's break even for me. So, we got stopped out break even. This execution entered here. Stopped out break even there. 0.3 down 600. How much you usually lose in a day, Kevin? I see like 1 to 5 for me. 1 to 5 hour. Yeah, 20 bucks is pretty much break even. Yeah, I mean technically no, but I'm gonna put it as minus 21 either way, so it doesn't matter. Bro, back in the day, guys, I don't know if you guys can relate, bro. Back in the day, when I could be down $5. I could be down $5, and I would feel like I need to make it back, like just so I could see green, not red. I would literally trade like, okay, let's just make $5 quickly, and then I'll stop. I would literally say that shit, bro. That's so bad, bro. Yo, let me tell you guys something. I know a lot of you are gonna sleep on what I'm gonna say or think I'm cheesing. I truly believe, bro, if you can be disciplined in the gym, it's gonna reflect in your trading. It's gonna reflect. I truly believe it, bro. Just think, if you can't be disciplined outside the charts, how are you gonna be disciplined inside the charts, bro? What do you think about TGR? I went to his bootcamp and everything. Bought my first one. Personally, I don't like the way he trades. Maybe he's very profitable. I don't like the way he trades personally. I like ICT, but SMC is better though. My average RR 3.3 win rate 70%. Usually RR depends on buy side liquidity. Yep. Discipline in trading has affected my gym. Oh, you went the opposite way, huh? He does trade ICT, but he uses some of the concepts incorrectly. So, or maybe he did them his own way. I watched some of his trade recaps, and I've seen some of his videos, and some of the stuff from ICT he trades incorrectly, which is fine. I'm not saying it's bad. I'm not saying it doesn't work. I'm just saying if you compare how he uses ICT and how ICT taught it, it's incorrect. If it's me, I go to the gym. If it's trained hard, I feel like I've been slack. For me, it's not. For me, it's not. If I go to the gym, it's if I train hard and I feel like I've been slacking, I go regardless. What parts? His concepts of liquidity, he uses them incorrectly. His concepts of where price can be drawn to, he uses it incorrectly. And then the last thing, I'm not trying to be a hater. Like, I'm sure he's a great trader. I'm just speaking facts as someone who's watched ICT multiple times. And then some of the bigger ones is hold on, let me try to remember. I haven't watched his videos in a really long time. Thoughts on 10 a.m. shorts? I took 10 a.m. shorts. One of his trade recaps, I think it was just like his general like view on how to determine the drawn liquidity. Like you can tell he kind of figured it out on his own what price can do, which is fine. But he doesn't have that like smart money perspective on the marketplace, you know, which is kind of the perspective ICT. Like he doesn't look at this through the lens of smart money. He looks at it through the lens of TJR, I guess. I'd have to I'd have to literally watch a video again and explain like what he's missing. I'm not saying you can't be profitable trading like him. The one good thing is it's probably very simple, and simple's good. So if you're editing now on Vegas Pro, shit, that's the discipline is really important. He who? I'm talking about TJR. I hope no one thinks I'm like hating or anything. You know, I'm sure he's a great trader. Just I wouldn't even say he trades ICT. You know, he has his own model. I'm sure he trusts it. And what's your P&L this week? True. Let's actually check the P&L this week. Let's check the P&L this week. Let's clip it and start beef. Can't be asked, bro. P&L this week, minus 150 this week. So first day, plus 115. Second day, minus 200. Next day, plus 200. And then no trade, and then minus 20. So another R week, another red week. We got to try to bounce back. Analysis to trade, check the forward boost. You can see the respective top or at the top. Interesting. Yes, I did see that 4-hour fair value gap. This one right here. Yeah. Wish you stayed in the trade, eh? No. So if I stayed in, let's see. My first stop loss was right here. I would have definitely closed by now. But I wasn't a short. I was in a short, yo, not a long. He doesn't use complicated shit. Liquidity and what ICT or SMC is all about. Not everything. There's a lot more than that, but he is definitely simple. Photon liquidity. I never heard of him. My bad. No, you're good, bro. I use pivot, but FEG also bad. What your charts are CFTC charts might be more accurate. On a couple other IC traders as well. Interesting. Volatility trap type of day. Definitely a trap day. I don't know about volatility. I don't know what that is, but definitely a trap day for sure. It looks like our stop loss would have been hit. We actually ended up inverting the fair value gap we entered off of. So there it is. So it's a good thing we broke even. We would have lost the full amount if we didn't. So that's good. There's always that. That's always good. Lunch reversal, maybe. Time for longs? Maybe. Next week, we're probably going to full port this account. Do you think I could be profitable from him? I've just invested so much time. The truth is, no one's going to make you profitable. You can take his teachings, implement them yourself. Is that a funded? No, this one here is a my funded futures eval, and I closed my fundeds, but I'm trading on 3 top step fundeds. You think it could be profitable? Yeah, you can definitely be. The profitability is not going to come from what you learn, brother. It's going to come down to literally everything else, you know. So don't worry too much about like the actual teachings. It's going to come down how you use them. You can definitely be profitable from them. Yes, 100%, million percent. Future is going to cause spread on forex. Always find positive and negative, and don't search for negative and positive. Find positive and negative. Good patience there for me. Yeah, we didn't really do anything wrong today. Like I would say, I give my trading like a 9 out of 10, maybe 8 out of 10. Only thing is, we could have just taken the profits here. You know, that's it, really. Not much more. Like the only election week was smooth except from today. Yeah, the other days were not bad. Patience was good. The thing is, I've never lacked patience in holding trades in profit or in drawdown. Whatever. I usually am really good at holding. My issue with patience is taking trades too early. That is exactly true, Koala. Would you say today's choppy? Oh, 100%, without question. That's good, bro. Yeah, run it. That's good, Dylan. You'll learn soon enough on your own that you take trades too early too. Yeah, yeah. That's my biggest thing. You could have taken partial at the equal. Yeah, you could have also just taken half there, let the rest break even. Would you bother putting on trades on choppy days? I mean, like if you know it's going to be choppy, then no. But it's all about identifying it before it's going to happen, right? Like it was fine, in my opinion. It wasn't choppy right here, you know. Like obviously we had a little bit of chop here, and then we left the range at 10 a.m. To me, it was a good short. I see my job but get liquidated. A lot of the time that happens to me too. Yeah. Compare E-mini and dive down significantly. Yeah. Can you share how you do that? I can, but honestly, brother, the best way would for you. I would just recommend watching my video on it because I won't be able to explain like I did in the video. Would I take the same trade on NAS 100? The thing is, yeah, I mean, you got the inversion, you got the fair value gap, pretty much the same. Just gonna take the sell side here. There's a couple ways working on funded or PA, both. Using both right now, 3 funded and then 1 PA. What do you do before taking a trade? Like analyze? I'm not sure your question, brother. It's in my Discord, brother. If you go to my Discord, I'll just show you real quick. Go to my Discord. If you want the one that I'm using exactly, go to journal and go to pinned. You'll see it there. If you want the template, the general ICT template, whatever, go to announcements, go to pinned, and you'll see the template of this one. You can like adjust more to your liking. The one I have is very specific for me, you know. Look at the 4-hour NAS 100. Yeah, you have 4-hour, but like I'm saying, this all I don't care about this market structure at all here. I'm looking at this through lens of TGIF. Someone looking for trades now, just click a buy, bro. To be honest, if you're gonna trade, there's like you probably have a better chance just clicking buy now and hoping than you didn't want to push up. No, not me, bro. You. I go to the gym. You do push-ups. To answer some more questions and then I'll get some breakfast. Someone said, how do you identify choppy day? There's a couple ways. So previous session. So look at Asia and London. That's 1. Look at the economic calendar. That's 2. Look at the previous day. That's 3. Yeah, I know. The TGIF setup was flawless. Like that was an A+ TGIF. Just the conditions were not. Bro, can't, bro. My chest is too sore. On God, my chest is too sore. So use previous sessions, use previous day, look at the market structure. If we're stuck between 2 POIs, it's probably gonna chop. Timing, What model do you trade? My own model. I have 7 trading models. I post about them on YouTube if you want to see. What's the Discord link? Doesn't work. Actions can be. Discord like doesn't work. Actions can't be completed. Look, man, still not working. Lost my footage, but we coming back Monday. Yes, we are, bro. I want to see you there at the top. Are we close? And are any close to 2022? Yeah, they are all close to 2022. To be honest, I trade the silver bullet. I trade 930 Judas. Like today, 2022 is an entry model, so I'm talking more about trading models here. The perspective, I want to see price. Bank holiday Monday, that's true. I'll personally still be trading if it looks good. That's just me though. Last bank holiday was my best winning day in the last month. Obviously, don't make that the reason you're gonna trade it. But I personally don't mind a bank holiday. If we don't get TGIF today, I'll expect it on Monday then. Your chest is so sore. Make it more sore. Okay, bro, I'll do it with you. I'll do it after this live stream. There's a couple ways to identify lost a band today. It's all good, bro. You make 2 bands next time, bro. Tough, bro. It's tough. I feel like the questions are slowly dying off. I think today was our best stream ever. We got the most people. Hopefully you learned something. I wonder how many people here actually trade ICT. I say lost 600 today. Today was a tough day, yo. I'm glad I broke even today. Again, my biggest mistake today was I should have just taken the profit here. You blew your top step account today. That's okay, bro. But listen, yo, let me tell you guys something. Don't risk so much, you know? Don't risk it so much. I do. You do what? I do we. Bro, took any trades, took 1 trade today. We broke even. Broke even minus 20, same thing. Not same thing, it's minus 20. Just say minus 20. But it's like such a little ICT, time-based perspective. Yeah, my whole problem is consistently getting the trade after I hit my target. Facts, I've blown so many trades. Bro, I'm telling you guys, you listen. Take it from me. I'm on a fat, it's not a losing streak. Someone getting married? Wait, what do you mean? The stream today was a win for a guy named Yusuf taking a... Wait, someone from my stream got a girl's... whatever, bro. You trade ICT? Yes. Someone said I do. What was I gonna say? Yo, take it from someone. I've been losing like the last, let's say, 40 trades. I mean, let's open up the trades. Actually, let's just see. Like, I don't got nothing to hide. Let's see how bad we've been doing. We have taken like we're 28% win rate. I'm only taking 14 trades. How's that possible? But we've definitely taken more than 14. When did I get these funded? Didn't I get them in the beginning of October? Oh, look how bad October was, bro. Like, these are the days I broke rules, and I think this day as well. So like that's too much loss. 60 plus 60, 120 plus 6. Take it from someone who's on a losing streak. Not a losing streak, but like we're down, you know, like we're in drawdown. Like we haven't been winning that much. How is my overall P&L 140? That's just wrong. Total P&L 133. Wait, we're up on the week? That's not right. I don't know. I think it's wrong. But the point I'm trying to make is October was very tough for me. You giving those firm donations? I mean, I haven't blown the account. That's the point I'm trying to make, I've lost a lot of trades, but I'm not even halfway. Like, I still have more than half of my drawdown. That's the point I'm trying to make to you guys. So manage your risk, because we have 1 4-hour trade and we're right back, 2 2-hour trades. Holy shit, what's going on here? I got a GG, I got a finger heart, I got a, what is this? All this stuff. October was really tough for me unseen. Yeah, October for sure was tough. I got 7 I campaign. August, haven't gotten one since. Yep, it's been tough for me too. You left with 100 drawdown. I would just honestly risk it in one trade at that point personally. Switch to CFT challenges. People don't see it on the risk side. Like, risk management is really important, guys. All I'm saying is I'm losing most of my trades right now. My last, you guys saw the numbers. It was like, I'm like, what, 4 and 10 or something? 4 out of 14. Like, we're down, we're losing, but we're still usually at 3 micros. I risk 200 max. I really appreciate transparency right now. How good trading environment can be if more people do the same. Bro, I wish, bro. It's just so many people get blindsided by people who are lying, and then they have expectations that are just not realistic, It's really upsetting. Have you gotten payout? I've gotten 3 payouts in my past. Yeah, 3 payouts in my past, but it's been a while. It's been a couple months. The main thing that helped me, I just donated 15K. No, you didn't, bro. I wasn't gonna check that shit out. Risk and timing, but you gotta time the market for sure. But risk manager's gonna carry you. Risk manager's gonna carry you. Someone asked me about stock. I do buy stocks, but I'm not buying anything until there's a large dump. How much do you target on 50K funded CFD account per month? How much would you try to make? Trying something realistic and that shit. It's all about finding something realistic, man. Like, passed my type of tops yesterday, but I got to wait till they update it. It should have updated at 7 o'clock. You should get the email at the same day. Maybe send me a message on Discord. Maybe something I'll be able to help you out. Because if you passed it yesterday, you should have it right now. How do you use the macros? I expect movement in them. I just use it as a confluence, You have your start on Discord? Your strat? My whole strat's on YouTube and Discord, yeah. Well, not everything. I'm still posting videos. There's too many components to... What are your PM macros? 1250 to 110 is your final lunch macro. Then you have 150 to 210, 250 to 310. And then the last hour is all one macro. There's 4 macros in that large hour. And it's basically the power hour macro. And then you have your last 15 minutes as well. So 3 to 4 is the macro in itself. Sometimes it's very nice. But you should have your own model for the last hour of trading. Don't expect it to be the exact same. It has kind of its own characteristic. It's like it's almost its own session per month for a payout. That's a hard question, bro. It depends how much you risk. It depends on your win rate. I would just do your best, And if it comes, it comes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Okay, Discord. I'll check in a bit. I was saying something and I forgot. Yeah, and my point is, October was really difficult. We took a lot of losses. I broke a lot of rules in October, but the one rule I did not break, well, actually I did. I lost 200 more than I should have. But for the most part, the one rule I did not break is risk management, and that's why we're still here, That's it. We're still on these accounts. We still have more than half of our drawdown, Totally, no need to panic or anything. It's totally still good. Oh my God. This guy said I have $3 left. Okay, good luck, bro. Honestly, just do it smart, Like, just look for a candle that's already moving and then just short it. Like, just short this candle and then just TP right away, bro. Like, you'll hit TP. Cheers, guys. Have a lovely weekend. Take care. Take care, Trevor. How long your trading's been? About a year. I got funded in January. W stream, very W stream. The last thing I want to say before I let you guys go, listen carefully, because this is an important one. The thing I think that's been holding me back these last couple months is, one, partials. The partial's been killing me. There was a lot of what you trading on? Trading view a year. Damn, that's impressive. Put a lot of work in, bro. Put a lot of work in. I have over like 4,000 back-tested trades. I've lost all of ICT stuff multiple times. Like, we're locked in, bro. I have the knowledge. I just need to keep working on executing. Don't take partial if it's under 2R. Exactly. Like, that took a long time for me to figure out. That affected me big time, you know? The partial, are you full-time trader? Like, not money-wise, but I do it every day, if that's what you're asking. The partials were killing me, you know? Partials were killing. Why does everyone go funded? It's free money. But the partials were killing me for sure. They held me back. When I figured that out, it's already been better since then. So that's one thing that really like changed my trading. My model it doesn't work good with partials, you know? I like catching those big moves, and that's kind of like one of my edges. No, I don't want to leave you dropping nuggets. Now I'm just talking about what held me back. You know, what about November, bro? Isn't 500 enough? Depends what you trade. If you trade Forex, yeah. But you can make more with a $500 funded. What account you on right now? I have 3 Top Step funded accounts and 1 My Funded Futures eval. That's all. Just kidding. That's our month. November and December. You copy trade? Yeah, I copy trade the Top Step accounts. Any psychology tips? Write them down, bro. Look, let me show you guys something. Literally just write them down. Why is TJR profitable? I don't know, bro. If you have enough for futures, in my opinion, no. You have to trade like 1 micro ES contract. It's just not even worth it. Just get it funded. You'll make way more with a funded. You can get like 2 funded for that price or 3. Write down your psychology struggles. Ignore this. This is mine. These are everything I want to keep in mind. I know my weaknesses. My biggest psychology thing to tell you guys is learn your weaknesses, learn your strengths. I know myself. I'm telling you guys, if I lose more than 300 in one day, like, I'm not good, you know? I'm gonna feel that need to make it back. It's too much loss for me to handle personally. Right now, it's too much. Maybe in the future it'll be different. But on these 50K accounts, more than 300 is not, it's not gonna cut it, you know? So I have to manage my position for that, you know? So how do I want to do it? I can take 1 trade, risk 200, and then give myself 1 more chance with 100. That makes sense. I can do 300 in one go. If it's a really good setup, I can do that. 300 in one go, and then no more trades for the day. You got to figure out that kind of stuff for yourself. And a 50K is hard compared to others. I mean, it's all percentages. Taking partials on a mark. Yeah, the partials killed me, you know? That's another thing. You really need to understand your model. Don't you need to pass a test for funded? You have to pass the eval, yeah. The partials killed me, you know? I was catching really nice trades, a lot of points. Like, well, we were catching like 100, 200 point moves, and we were ending the day with like plus 200, plus 300. Like, no. That's, the partials were killing me. Partials were killing me. So now I have a full, like money management system that, you know, is gonna prevent that, you know? If I knew that prior, like, we'd be in a different part right now, but it took me a while to learn that. And if I never journaled, I would have never learned that about my trades. Nah, I haven't went koala. And I've never bought an NFT. I'm gonna make such a fat breakfast. Why? Oh, yeah, you do need to pass. Yes. All right. Seems like the questions are fading out. If you have a good visual memory, you don't need to journal. Yeah. No. I think you do still. There's just too much information in your trades, you know? For example, let me show you guys something. Let's look at my last couple of losses. All right? Okay, this one, sure. This one, wait, was this a win or a loss? Wait, this is a win. Wait. Oh, I lost and then I won. Okay, let's ignore that one. Let's just go to a losing day. Okay, this is a losing day. Look at this. How many trades you take per day? Usually 2 max. What do I mean by partials? I mean taking like a percentage of your position off in profit. Yeah, that is good, Jose. I mean, obviously there's a time and place to take partials for sure, but I was doing it every time. I was taking partials on every single trade, and it killed me, you know? I got chopped up here, right? Chopped up. Let's look at this. Like every single time I lose, for the most part, I chop up. I get chopped up. My other stream's on TikTok. Here, okay, we didn't really get chopped up here. We were just wrong. Let's look at this one. I went short, got stopped out, went short again, and hit TP. Yeah, so that one, that's not. Let's look at one where we lost twice in a row. This one was bad. Oh, this one I broke rules. Yeah, that's not even. Yeah, to be honest, I mean, we're doing pretty good on these accounts. If you exclude the days that we didn't break rules, like if you only look at the days that we followed all the rules, we'd be like break even, I think. So I mean, we're not doing that bad, to be honest. We just really need to stop breaking the rules, you know, and really just stay true. Yeah, partials kill you, man. I can't wait to make my video about why partials like stop me from being profitable, pretty much. You know, something as simple as taking a partial stopped me from being profitable, and I'll explain it really well. I can't wait to do that one. That's gonna be a really good video. I hope everyone watches that one. How long did it take to you before knowing? I mean, it depends, but I still improve every day. So like, when would I say I stopped learning? Like at this point, I'm at the stage where I feel like I can only learn from myself. Can't learn from much from someone else. Like if ICT post a lecture, I'll watch it. For the most part, I'm just learning from my own trades and my own journal now. There's not much else to learn. When did I reach that stage? A couple months ago, like maybe I reached that stage in like August, July. I think once I figured out the partial thing and money management thing, that's when I was like, yeah, we just need to keep trading now. Exactly, bro. Bro, Bessem, exactly. If you're gonna have a take partials in TP, if you want to be consistent, then you need to take partials in stop loss too. How did you learn with 2022? I just watched it and it was really good. I got my first 3 payouts, guys, only using 2022 model. Strictly 2022, nothing else. 2022 model, it got me 3 payouts. I know what you guys are thinking. Why don't you just stick to 2022? Because knowing what I know now, it doesn't make sense, you know? So obviously, it's been like more difficult since then, but I like where I'm headed, you know? How many days are you required to trade till you pass the test with Top Step? You can do it in 2 days minimum. You can take as long as you want. Ideally, you pass before 1 month, so then you don't have to pay the fee again. Why does it not make sense? The reason it doesn't make sense is, for starters, it's all the same. Of course you could, Koala. Getting low as fuck. What's up, Sarvan? Talk to me, brother. Don't make more than 1,500 a day. Exactly. What's up, Shitty? Why does it not make sense? The reason it doesn't make sense because knowing what I know now. Yeah, I trade Judas Swing. That's the first model I look for every morning. Knowing what I know now, it doesn't make sense. Come, we trade PM session. Should I trade PM session in the Discord? Maybe on the eval. We'll port it Friday PM. Friday PM is like the worst, bro. Friday PM, man. You're asking for it. You're asking for like a mental struggle. If you lose on Friday PM, it hurts more than any other day. Friday PM, maybe. I'll look at the price action at 115. If I think I can navigate it well, then I'll go live. I'll go live in a PM session. Do you learn by yourself more than the mentorship? No, but the things that are gonna make you profitable, you're gonna learn by yourself. You know, PM in Discord, PM in Drist not recommended. Bro, I'm about to start buying accounts and start trading. Wish me luck. Good luck, brother. I know what I have to do. I know what I have to know, but telling myself procrastination. Let me do it. Tired of it. Friday PM session is so Leslie coming back. I don't know. I'm waiting for a reply. Could help quickly. Could you help quickly backtest a Judy string strategy? Yo, I'm gonna tell you exactly what you should do in my personal opinion. I'm not even trying to boost myself right now, but there's no point in me sitting here explaining to you everything I know about 930 Judy swing when I literally have a video on everything I look for my 930 Judy swing model. So honestly, bro, you should just watch this video and take away what you can from it. And yeah, it will literally explain almost. It's impossible to teach everything I know. There's too much. I've taken over like 500-600 backtest trades with 930 Judas. So like there's some things that I know, but I can't. It's not like on a piece of paper. I read it. But like that should be everything you need. It will be everything you need, in my opinion. If that's the strategy you want to go with. Sarvan says, I keep procrastinating. That is an issue, brother. You're gonna need some discipline. Spark motivation. I feel you. It's gonna come down to discipline, you know? It's gonna come down to discipline. Discipline will do the heavy lifting. Risk management will carry you. That's so hard. What's so hard? Bro, those are not videos from Canada. So if I want to learn, what do you recommend we watch or do? The first thing I'd recommend you do is to watch ICT 2022 mentorship on YouTube. And if you really want to learn, honestly, like I help people for free. Just message me on Discord and I'll guide you through your learning, you know? As long as you're putting in work, I'll put in a little bit of effort to help you as well. Discipline is hard, yes. Discipline is hard. You need to build your discipline outside the charts, in my opinion. And I'm trying to do that too, you know? I've been pretty inconsistent with the gym lately, but so far we went 3 out of 3 days this week, and 2 more days. I go 5 days a week. So you need to build it outside the charts. Outside the charts. Otherwise, when you're in a trade and it's time to leave your stop loss, then what trade took today? We shorted TGIF setup from all-time high SMT and the hourly fair value gap. This 1 minute inversion. We got topped out break even. This inversion right here. Because it's 10 a.m. power 3. One poem to end the stream. Alright, let's hear it. One poem to end the stream from Koala. This was our biggest stream ever, I think. So appreciate everyone coming through. Yo, we go live every day, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. Same time every day. If you want to come through, you know? We'll be here every day. I'm just showing my journey. If you want to learn about my journey, I can teach you. If you want to learn about what ICT teaches, I can reiterate his teachings to you. Obviously, I don't know nearly as much as ICT, but I do know what he talked about in his videos and live streams. So if that's the information you're looking for, that is information I can provide. Anything else, psychology. I'm working on my own psychology. Discord's in bio. Yeah, but apparently the link doesn't work. I don't know. I can't do it while I'm live. It's going to take a couple... I have to do something capital before I can do that. But we're here live every day, same time, 5 days a week, trying to master it ourselves. If you want to help with psychology, guys, honestly, talk to Robbie in my Discord, bro. Robbie will help. Robbie helps me with my psychology, so he'll help you guys. You know, I'm working on my psychology on myself. Like, you know, I put this shit in my background. I'm locked in, but obviously it's still a struggle. But I'm trying to be consistent with the gym. Hopefully that'll help me become more disciplined in my trading. And we'll go from there, you know. I'll be here. If you guys want to tune in, I'll be here. Just follow. Put the notification thing on. Just open the link in browser. It will work. Appreciate you, bro. Put up the screen up again. Yep, you can take a picture of this if you want. This is tailored to me, though. This is tailored to me. Redo a live for PM. I wouldn't do one on YouTube or TikTok, but I might go live in the Discord if it's good. Just get out of here. Don't listen to this person. I mean, you don't have to listen if you don't want to, you know. It's up to you. Look at Discord for a poem. All right, we got a poem. We'll read this poem. Oh, hopefully you got the picture there. Paula sent us a poem. He says, the charts align, the signal's clear. GatieTrades closes trade with cheer. A perfect short, the trend was right. ICT concepts took flight tonight. With fibs and zones, he found a way to end the stream on a winning day. He read the flow, he caught the fade, a victory sweet, expertly made. I won't break even today, bro. So now he bids the stream goodbye as profits. I'm starting to cringe, bro. Till next time, traders, watch and learn, for GatieTrade will soon return. Thank you, bro. That's beautiful, bro. Thank you, man. Take care, Valentine. It's good for me too. Yep. You can always like put in your own. Yeah, we'll take it, bro. You won today? True. That is true. You know, technically this is a win, even though we managed. We learned something I already knew, which was just take the easy TP when it's in consolidation. Like when you're in a trade like this, it's not the same trade as it was, you know, over here. You have more information now at this point of the trade. I feel like Kevin could probably understand this too. It's not the same trade. I entered here expecting distribution. It's completely different at this point now, you know? So look at the new information you have. You see this chop. You see a potential setup here short. It's a different trade now. Now you're looking at 11 a.m. candle, right? You immediately go down, take out sell side. That's not what you want to see for an 11 a.m. candle open. 100% we should have closed the trade here in profit. You know, that's a lesson to be learned, you know? And I already knew that. But again, like I said, I got excited when I saw this huge fat candle. I was like, yo, just maybe like it'll go full TP. But you have to reevaluate the situation there and realize that it's probably not going to keep going lower. You know, even if it does, it's smart to just close the position here. Luckily, we only broke even, so at least we were smart enough to do that. But like, who said you need to make the 2,000 in one trade? You know, just take the profits, bro. It's right there. You know, like, fuck it. It's not bad. I will donate you $2 when I get 10K, bro. You're so fucking kind, bro. All right, guys. I need to go make breakfast. Seriously, I'm actually starving now. I'm gonna go make like 4 eggs and some sausage or some shit. Did they ever trade that weekly? It didn't, right? It didn't, yeah. So TGIF was never hit today. So maybe in the PM, maybe on Monday, maybe overnight Sunday. It did not hit in this session. It's set up really nicely, but it did not hit. You're right. So maybe later, maybe not. Evening for me. You got a funded? 3 funded accounts with Top Step, 1 My Funded Futures evaluation account. We're in drawdown on the fundeds 800, so we have 1.2 more to work with. So 6 trades, assuming I just lose every single day. How much are those? Are the fundeds with Top Step? It's 200 US if you pass the fund. It's $50 for the evaluation phase. If you pass the evaluation, you want to activate the funded. 200 total US dollars. Oh, 150K funded. 150K funded is 300 US after the activation fee. Is it hard to pass the evaluation? You won today? Nope. Today was break-even day, Michael. But we learned a really good lesson, so that's good. Is it hard to pass the evaluation? The evaluation on a 50K account, how many 150Ks you have? 0. I have 3 50Ks. So the account that I have is a 50K Top Step. I have 3 of them. So 3. All right. If you want to pass the account, you have to make $3,000 without, don't lose $2,000. Yep, I can show you the trade and why I took it. No problem. That'll be the last thing I do. Then I'll go make max allocation 750K in a year. This is how you pass. So you have to make 3,000, don't lose 2,000. Then you pass. Once you pass, you get the activation fee, you pay it, and then you're funded. Once you're funded, it's all on you now. You got to try to make profits. So is it hard to pass? It depends. If you have a profitable strategy, you know. You think it's better about 150K even if I burnt 50K? If you've never gotten a payout, I personally wouldn't go to 150 unless you have a lot of money to be working with, you know? If you have like maybe a consistent job and not that much expenses, then fuck it, go for it, bro. Who cares? The whole point is to just improve your trading, right? Don't think about the money, just think about improving. If you want to do that with 150K, that's fine, bro. Nope, if you lose the money, nothing happens. That's it. You pay your $200 to get the account. If you pass, whatever happens after that, you don't have to pay anymore. Almost 3 hour live today. Yeah, we've been live. I hope you have 1 million account one day. I mean, yo, I used to be funded like 500K, but that was with Apex, and I full ported that shit. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. But yeah, that would be a goal one day for sure. Take care, my brother. I'll show you the trade I took for today, and that'll be the last thing I do. I gotta go make my breakfast, yo. So, first things first, hourly fair value gap. We're bearish, looking for lower prices because of TGIF. So we're expecting a wick. See how this is a wick here? I'm expecting a wick to form here because it's Friday and we already reached the objective. So I'm expecting a wick to form. So I'm bearish for that reason. We have an hourly bearish fair value gap that we can short off of. Now come down to the 1 minute time frame. This is the short I took. So you can see we're inside the hourly bearish fair value gap. I looked for this inversion right here. So inversion fair value gap, 10 a.m. open. We immediately went up, took the buy side. This is now an intermediate term high. And then down. This is where we took our short. It went sideways for an hour and then went up. It is what it is. We could have taken profits at some of these levels, but it's a hard one to see. And we ended up going up, making new highs. So it's a good thing we broke even because we ended up being wrong. Are you going to be in Discord for PM session? I'm going to look at the charts at 115. If I think I can navigate the charts, then I will. But based on this session right now, I don't know. I really don't know. Like the criteria I'm going to look for is ES needs to be trading below previous day high. If ES starts trading below previous day high, then you were up 500. Yep, we were up 500 at one point on the evaluation. Not on the funded. On the funded, we were up, I think, maybe 100, 120. I forget. You trade live every day? Yeah, bro. Every day we're here, bro. Backtest TGIF has one of the lowest win rates. Don't trust it. I have backtest TGIF. In the last couple months, yeah, the win rate, like the setup has not played at all. But in previous months and previous years, like 2023 is when I backtested it, the hit rate was really high, bro. Like really high, you know? So it hasn't been hitting. Maybe it's because it's election year and I don't know, volatilities increase or manipulations increase or something. But for me, I like the model. I have the data and I'll keep trading it probably forever, you know, if the setup forms. Just fluff for ICT in slow months. I mean, just go back on the weekly chart and look at the wicks. You're going to trade on 115. So at 1:15 p.m. Eastern time, I'm going to look at the charts. It's your strategy on YouTube. Half of it, I'm trying to post it all, but it's going to take some time. But almost half of it's there. Most of it, of the trading models and stuff, is all there. I'll help you out with Jay in a sec. If the charts look good at 1:15, I'll trade PM session in Discord. I'll go live. You a full-time trader? I mean, I do it every day, but no, I don't make enough living off of this. Go ahead and backtest it. Live weekly candles are easy. It rarely hit. I mean, the idea is like you're trying to catch this wick, right? So just look at the wicks. You can see it in itself. For example, last week, I don't even know if that's a bearish candle or a bullish candle. Failed. But I would go back and look at 2023. I didn't backtest it in 2024. I backtested it in 2023. He will still look. It will be shorts. Yeah, not even interested in longs whatsoever today. So what do you think about the screenshot? What screenshot? If you have a 50K account in terms of lot size, you have to calculate your lot size based on your stop loss. So it's going to change every time. I wouldn't have a fixed lot size. I would have a fixed risk number. Oh. Yeah, simple, bro. See? Zelko? That guy's. So I'm good. You're 100% good, bro. How about use of trading ABOT? I don't use it. Are you profitable already? If so long, how you been trading? It's hard to say if I'm profitable. If you look at my last 200 trades, 300 trades, the net positive will be up. But I have a lot of improving to do, you know? I have a lot of improving to do. I don't use AI bots. I don't know about all that stuff. How funded trading works. Basically, you pass a test for a company, then they give you fake money to trade with. And if you make money with the fake money, they pay you. And if you lose money with the fake money, then you don't lose anything because it's fake money. So it's all good. If you do really good, then they give you real money. And that's it, brother. It'll be shorts, yeah. TGIF. Wait, why is it fake money? I thought it's a real account. Funded account is still technically demo. How much does trading get you a month? It's not get me a month. I've only gotten 3 payouts. Like I haven't gotten a payout in like 3 months. I don't even remember my last payout. I think it was May or June, March maybe. Yeah. When do you get a real account though? If you go crazy, then they give you a live account. You have to win quite a bit, and then they give you a live account. So it depends. Like, yeah, I can't really answer the question. I don't get payouts every month. I'm not at that level yet. Does Top Step have an account type? Does that have any consistency restrictions? No, they're all the same. Top Steps, all accounts are the exact same. But I mean, there's no consistency rule in the funded account, by the way. It's just the eval. They just don't want people like full porting basically on the eval. Right? There's no consistency rule in the funded. Yeah, there's no consistency rule in the funded. You can do whatever you want on the funded. You can full port that shit 5 times in a row. You can trade 1 micro. How long you been trading? It's been about a year. My whole journey has been about a year and 2 months. I got my first funded account in February 1st, January 31st, my first funded. I think it's possible to be completely profitable for long term. It's mad hard. It's hard, definitely hard. I think it's possible. Yeah, I know many people who've done it. I feel like I'm getting really, really close. I can see the potential myself. That's for a payout. So I guess that is. How many of you cashed out total? 3,000 US. Chat, let this man go eat. Yeah, I'm starving, bro, for real. So I can be like 1K, 250, 500, 200, 200, and cash it out. Exactly. What's the split? 50%. It's not a split. You get the whole 50%. The other 50% stays in your account for you to trade with. Show the entry? Sure. That was today's trade. Did I see me have an error? Pop-up crypto. I don't really use AI bots. Not really a fan of those. What are the rules on the funded? You have to make 3,000 without losing 2,000. You can't do it in 1 trade. You have to do it in 2. You trade only in macros? No, just a Confluence I use. What funded website do you recommend? Top Step for sure. Top Step, and then My Funded Futures, and then Apex third. If you want to trade Forex, I recommend Funded by Traders. Alright, one more question. That's it. After 30 winning days, doesn't help another 30%. When do I get it? It doesn't go anywhere. It's still yours, Koala. You trade with it. If you want to cash it out after 30 winning days, you can, but then you'd be losing the account because you took out all the money in the account, you know? I would have hit TP with that. I would have hit TP from something I learned in your video, but I accidentally sold 10 millis instead of micros. That is really unfortunate, bro. Koala, I'll send you a message because I think you understood it incorrectly. The funded account, I could only use 2 minis. For the 50K top step. What's up, Mo? Is that TradingView? This is TradingView, yeah. Is the funded account, I can only use 2 minis. For 50K top step, honestly, I forget. Let's check. Are serious, bro? No, 5. You can do 5 contracts. Five contracts. All right, guys. I'm gonna go eat. I've been live for 3 hours. I might lose my shit. All right. So I'll be live every day next week, same time. If you want to come say hi to your boy, come say hi to your boy. $50. Yeah, $50 US. If you want to come say hi to your boy, I'll be live next week every single day. I appreciate everyone staying through the trade. I know that was a long ass trade. Appreciate all the questions. I hope I can help you guys out. If you want to watch my journey, I'll be here every day, same time, doing my shit. This weekend, I'll probably do some more testing, some more refining, make some more notes, review the trades, and we'll go from there, bro. Take care, brothers. Peace out, everybody. YouTube.